Ghana so here ko de nyame adoma the 7th of December. Ahomo abomo yeguso ayeye no. I can tell you say campaign I intensify pa. Obia ye de. In fact in the Ashanti region. Ashanti region ade ni mu to bear miensa. E mu to bear miensa. Johnson said in Ketia the chairman for the NDC. Ono and on one side and the vice president ono also na the presidential candidate for the NPP ono so on the other side. And I can tell you over your Facebook page Akoma 87.9 FM will give you some pictures and in the in the region within the week me can say Ashanti region baby a dream all the political parties omunyina do matensi meba Ashanti region adentia because of numbers ti omu de omani na beche ha ba ro sha yen ene ye wo constituency said doso pa ya de doso 47.9 and o share the voter population in the region. And yasem ketwa enti no obia di say oba na oba be hwe you no so betimi anya already the NPP so up 85% in the Ashanti region and this year targeted 30%. I'm so munya no I mean they are good to go. How well and say ka say political parties in our campaign and one message omo selling no atowajim how well and atowajim polls are eba any who say nyina no pray benya brand ya share na ye di hon komo midi e say John na anopai no ye bedi nkomo bi na ya share policies political parties are would wo mo de mayen now let's not forget say Alan Kojo Chematin Movement for Change Enra na ne wife so no afa section of the region na nyasem keto Akoma market ahodo mu from race cross eba babedu kejetia nyasem keto na nyakito emai atu ogudu so na mai bottle so omse mame mumra meji na yetim futrom mumra meji na yakwan yakọ race cross enye papa abatowe ebe yese bibi no na ushemu a utie Alan Kojo Chebate ne wife o say sesi ayeka say election no is about three candidates and na we ekoto onso aba Akoma FM 87.9 nikunu Alan Kojo Chebate Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and a former president John Dramani Mahama. Barodo Bakari Ninsesi bu say e ba say ye ba pass integrity say obi pa owo ni mudiem ni mu oduna just okuta ni mudiem a John Alan Kojo Chebate and it Ghana front to Bamfama no na o hye plan o de ato ho a wono so mfa mebo man Ghana na campaign message obi a gina ba bia na de aba na nu oka o hye wanim o so kom de me ba meto kuku amodi Akoma FM o hye wanim o say we say crowd pabo na ase na wan me ba meto super glue ama o say eno sa niema no emo man Ghana na emo bia wo plan ye okita plan no ono na o say de o man ne ma no na oba be ye adwuma anopa ya ne mentina ebisa be kom say non do ebebo na yeni nkomo pi Akoma FM 87.9 Thomas.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi. Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Right, sure that is that. I'm paying you better come up in, but your Facebook page na wa drop a comment ewo ho and pay na nya bre na yes so you didn't come ewo ho. In fact, the MPP and the MDC omugu so almost selling more policies to Ghana for na and I want us to look at one key thing and also a major issue. You see, one thing is that omaya yetimu so wo hye hawa a dime boss ya de rent aye issue e wo Ghana ha ene minim baby ha wo de and I may not be able to exactly mention or dear, but say me share on average how on my way a near see call a war a diamond sem say ubenya baby do tiato ubenya baby edu ti ato ama wasuma jo na say a male areas bia enye you can say enye a very busy area deep within Kumasi. Yeah, and that's a whole person who rent apartment. And I say, me for apartment crowd is any idea. Walk a crowd, walk any more come on. But single room, chamber and hall. And yes, I'm get well. In fact, when you have money and you want to get a proper place, a bit more so better now. And no crying yasem kitwa e dan so benya bi and over the years a Ghanaian problem if I check the records are
87.9 Kumasi
cause the deficit in terms of your housing e wo mamu ha after say various aban ameki efforts say ombetimi solve this situation as I save the situation now at least they reduce the housing deficit e wo mamu ha no are difficult. In fact, you look at how policies are ever affordable housing, any near ever, and sometimes who call me a catch of say affordable housing and that's affordable house. That's why I'm pound. You say affordable so crown. Boy, that's what and yasem kitwa. Is it that the focus any? Is it that contracts how are you engaging Crawford to be able to do those things for us? Said the buyer so mine no so me yenam de matimamufo ama timamufo ho ha wo mo a yentimi ye ni na. And what do we have at the moment? You bet me the says to say this and this and that. And the next government at the airbrain, be it MPP, be it movement, be it NDC, be it cheddar. I have one major thing, I'm telling you. One major thing I am fire drink also, and so I don't know. Because I know about Ghana ha abrantie bi a wono wo ye adwuma no ne dan wo team a wa rent be 2 years no ni sika bosom akatua no o save ni nyina nti ne mrantie no mo ye adwuma kama o but o sori bi a wo gye ne rent nti wo de sika no beto ho o save sika no dwuma sa abrantie no o sori da bi akọ adwuma ba wo hu sense bi e ba ni o gye say the next 2 years me rent no eso a ye tum 50% and 80%. Timranti no kroma no omo major problem headache rent tini bosu akatua no no save to okọ ba nyina wode about 80% of the salary and the allowance ekwa rent a dine. And we've been quiet on this, and you better come on that. You better come on that. Near how you better dealing with this situation going forward. Meba James is here, meba. Ma yentia Canada hina Japan. A minute na meba sisi na ye di san komo na no pay.
Interest of our country, Ghana. I believe in Ghana. With what is going on in Parliament, it's not good for the country. I have advised my colleagues from the other side that look, assuming you win the incoming election, would you get 2/3 of Parliament to take decisions? And they all said no. So I said, well, if you are saying that Professor Michael Quinn set a precedence and you are using that to take a position as you have done, then what happens if you win election and you don't get 2/3? Do you expect MPP also to help for us to rule this country? That is my fear for Ghana. Whatever is going on, if we don't put an end to it and we politicize issues, Ghana, I'm telling you, in 2025, you will see worse things in Parliament. Because whoever wins and whoever loses will not cooperate. Then what will be the fate of our country? That is my major concern. Of late, I have not been speaking, but it's absurd to see grown-ups, members of Parliament, behaving the way we are behaving. It's simple. For peace sake, how many weeks left for the country to go through all what is going through? Don't think it's only MPP. It's Ghana going through these challenges. The way things are going, I believe that next month is going to be Christmas, and workers are not even going to have their salary because Parliament, we have to approve. So media, I decided not to talk, but what I saw at the conference center when I was coming, I've been treating you. I'm pleading with you.
Right, so we Kennedy in Japan, I don't know, but Yanko Ahmasona and Opinion Komo Mene Abrantia Bako, a very astute and a very vibrant personality. You don't know, has been on radio up and down. You didn't come waha. Na far away, but another pay or a real estate developer. In fact, let's establish that. And he has been in the business for so long. In fact, is I can say or a communication team member at the Madi NDC. Frank Abuaji de Nyansa. Frank, good morning. Hello, Frank.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Hello. Frank, what's the matter? Hello. Wow. Okay. Therefore, you try to get him na yɛne no adi nkɔma no pɛ ni ahyɛ things that ohunu sɛ ɛbɛtumi aboa yɛn when getting the opportunity. Frank, what's the
Akoma FM 87.9.
Yes, me too. Hello, Frank.
Hello.
What's the Hello. Okay, all right. I think we'll try and then get him on the line. But speaker also within the week, address says Central for ahead of the recall of Parliament. Emma, yay, etia the course of Parliament. In fact, the speaker, Emma Ghana, clear because the discussion and the course as Ghana was that. Oh, a minor crown is say your constitutional crisis mu. Nti no what's say mpanimfo hye na eniema koyie. Speaker say o man no ye ni crisis bia mu. Ye ni crisis bia mu. Parliament e wo ho e ya adwuma. Eniema bi na nkoyie. But that doesn't mean say o man no ye wo constitutional crisis mu.
Beloved Ghanaians, democracy will work only if we fight for it, says President Barack Obama of the United States. I swore an oath to uphold, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana, and that I will do right to all manner of persons in accordance with the Constitution and the laws and conventions of Parliament, without fear or favor, affection, or ill will. I concluded the swearing of the oath with a call on God to help me. I'm very confident and have faith in God to see me through these dark days of Ghana and our young democracy. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to start this presser by disabusing and setting the minds of Ghanaians at ease. There is no constitutional crisis in this country. I repeat, there is no constitutional crisis in this country. The Parliament of Ghana is alive and working. Let nobody mislead, misinform, or disinform you and the country. But without prejudice to the general effect of Article 115 of this Constitution, civil or criminal proceedings shall not be initiated against a member of Parliament in any court or place out of Parliament for any matter or thing brought by him in or before Parliament by petition, bill, motion, or otherwise. This means happenings in Parliament must remain in Parliament. So the court must and has always been hesitant to interfere in the proceedings and decisions of Parliament. In the celebrated case of Tufo versus the Attorney General, the Supreme Court affirmed that happenings in Parliament are a closed book. Despite these provisions, the courts are replete with debates and proceedings of Parliament. Most worrying is these proceedings are initiated by some members of Parliament, even leaders of Parliament, who ought.
Right, ma yentoaso na yenhwe line no ebeboy this time 35 minutes after 7 Akoma 87.9 FM na eguso. I raised an issue this morning na besa me Frank the Nyansa edin komo on this very issue over the years you know on housing and the challenge of man yewo in terms of housing anyhow well you betimi aboa making sure that yebetimi reduce the housing deficit or memuha. I remember from 1.3 way back and deficit ni guswa air kosro. Yeah, we almost 2.7 air kosro. Na se wo share ni nyina mu na se aban so se oye aban aba besen ko nyina no bia make effort say or the housing project and a policy affordable housing eba said the be bit me easy the situation at the amaya but I mean the impact no so I am minimal. Frank Aboagye de nyansa ewa homa no Frank mame ntia obio na mema wache wo Ghana bibia bokode
say don nyame adom bibia boko me di yese mo mo ye de
nyame adom ye ho ye pa ye to nka na che
I so I when food also we ni na eduma ne adisia nyina keka ho ejama oni abema mente faako na so no yeah boy eduma dia boa oh my Ghana.
Very important. You're moving on to the issue at hand this morning. Let me can say one thing as a mine. Ya shahan na de bia ye kotraba ye focus. Fuel because I don't know that bia no ye consume ye faka ye tia lo fe ntino say adjustment bi ba who say impact ne so. But one thing, and also so hard dream power memoha. As you share in coming years, on my way, a better pa a year housing. And there I can say so bagana ha, minia, nyabete, ukteska. Na ukteska no pa oko renti e dino. Na agent o same fees so no so ya langard obi di beje. Nti pressure boys kombo kroma no me ka say me message me nya wa ha no ebisi say don't say it again asem pa no akofa ba ne no because enya better boys and girls wo kroma woman juma mu ye nyina wa calculate say my rent apartment and I'm renting a single room self contained be for 2 years nti o save times 2 of the otria nei because in the next 2 years you know a double. What is the problem? What is the problem? I want us to start from that one.
So the mean say no question is say unya juma wa Ghana na fede o kasa unya feedbacks no or how I be mo say ansa na ubenya be bi atena no sika e say unya to ho so we dey for say we average civil servant after you forward jumem you post to akoto the street be uni mo da wako after na akoto dan you say kotia 2 years advance ukura no eduma ya from you nyakura ma osikampo nanka pese waka say ukiteska ho de konti de edikan na kotia 2 years eska no odi fe eso bobesia say busia ni bi ma osika eyo how I can't be na corruption or civil service no bebre no na permanent am say me no nyina yesua de no yes social studies me friend be Maslow theory of needs nipa ankasa e di ade na e ye wade hi ade dikai yes aduane a obedi atare a obese any baby ado tibeto Sir John, Adriani obedi, atare a obese. Any baby adu tibetu. Yanka say Adriani obedi, atare a obese, and education. About so, ye reasonable wa. Obi nka say education nye. But say Adriani obedi, atare a obese, and baby adu tibetu. And say na dia ka nyina di akiri. Eno che say, unya Adriani di, na unya atare se, na unya baby da. What's a man mobile? Na about Maslow, I'll come as a keke. So, John, when I say your man, maybe I may be the agriculture and the decline. At I ever say, creating near standard of living economy. Now, one for house and number, no house and work, education ekoye me ye de ma bi ehun yansem pataminya. At the end of the day, you be call in circles. Over the years, my housing Michelle one there for the past 15 years. Social housing, affordable housing. And your private sector, Juma, abaya Juma, abaya said, no doubt about that. Abaya, yes, who provide the baby, name man for better. Said the Obama no near Tiano. Uko US asa, uko Europe asa, baby obeko even China, Japan. Adana Ghana, yentininye. Yeah, how understand? Bad leadership.
Na say you can see yentininye. Your tribe Uba Ghana, Saglemi and others say Uba
Saglemi and no neighbor. Kwame Nkrumah pencil way back in the 70s. Kwame Nkrumah and I guess over the 7-year development plan now all build Ghana around agriculture, around housing. So that it is state farms are Kwame Nkrumah state farms are no come. Farm be a no affordable housing component within that baby I know me kuya no. Nti wo ma no me kuya no no mo mre o mo baby o mo da well full mu side o state farms out titi nyina no ne housing component attached to it
87.9 Kumasi
oye ne de okoye example ba o be ye ne de okoye buzi aba o be tribe okoye be si nipa o se o de Ghana housing esi na ni so Kiti power Ghana under the Fourth Republic. Some of your facts checking Opa Aminu we are checking. Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rollins. Apart from one, NDC and Cope and the social housing are any key agenda for Ghana. Kumano Estate.
87.9 Kumasi.
Sedon.
Me also
Kumano Estate.
Yeah.
Okay, Abeta housing. Okay, Smith Flats. President Rollins and the Smith Flats in every region of Ghana. Every region of Ghana. And now I know I say, a she of Smith Flats. If you want my air soon, Kumasamai, how many years, lady? And that's what you air soon, my mind. Kosumane, Kota credit, Kotema. Kwakra Smith Flats wo be bia yetimi aye ama omotimi de niam gu akwan mu to understand say eme Smith take over no itimi tua ne bi nkakra over the years now afa dan no trouble we are in Science State Bokrom Estate Kumasi asem na make yo Ashanti region na make oko oboafia one man over state housing for day. And you remember me you way back under the era of Jerry John Rollins. The name in this one so being called for free car that those days Sir John so over three veranda boys are.
Yeah.
One man on that street so and the car move for me veranda boys. You know Rollins catch on me say obey you more free abonting I'm a baby other. And no na build ya you akufo ba ya ono so be ye affordable house no dia sokoro man po be si ho o you bi o wa o mantini anwie ebi o tamale o mantini anwie NDC so ba ya John Mahama ne Mills e ba ya Mills beto a tamale tie no so wa de no so asokoro man po mantini anwie ana you John Mahama introduce the new one na Saglem you know. Now you see their dance no me say 2024 elections here you that charisma na where you are flight lieutenant Jerry Rollins muno you are John Dramani Mahama say opeso obua na Ghana for especially civil servants workers
25 minutes from
obi o ye adwuma o earn salary unya baby do tito. And you know, a person see 20,000 housing units in the first 4 years. Our districts are what Ghana in 260 districts now.
87.9 Kumasi.
Are you making a Juma? So, John, you said the council, you're proceeding using local material. See, here, a dime wire general, maybe. Local materials, that a better boy, I'm not the review of form. And you know, go to 1.2 billion for single room. To say the Omode was a Koreman search for affordable housing, yes, 1.2 billion for one room, single room. 120,000 Ghana cedis. One room. Now, Sir John, the Akatia and the NTM be 40% every month for the next 15 years, sir. It me a deal. And so, come back and say, you're scanning in our and chia, there 30% of 1.2 billion. The area can say 20,000 affordable housing units. Your friend sustainable affordable housing unit. Sustainable say a better now that to say the snake flat is you want to say the cycling is you want. MPP buy over the past 8 years. Put this on record. And Madam Down Kwekufado and Dr. Mahmoud Baumia for the past 8 years, social housing zero. When you're back, Yemfa judges Dino Musi and Tonche, and then social housing. And we are satisfying Article 71 office orders. Yemfa police for Diamond Tonche, and we are security agency, making sure some Biada. And the crown over Ashanti Regional Prison Service, baby on bed Akohe, Wako, Kobekwa runabout. Like already be a prison officers, orders for no baby on Mopio. Should be a super for it. Ghana Police Service, Wako Zongo Police Station, Chilewa. And when baby, your police for not be a mutia or rather. Now, we are about now say, we sector do what we need. Where you minister, our cabinet minister, and so to mean sit down now, boundful. The no can say, and maybe a trim, you are Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, or Asan Kregua, Equity Assassin, every man, Mamma for only Mammy Fida Prempe, former Western Housing Minister. I'm got 150 acres of land. Many are Google. Oman to me and say also the same I'm no say. I'm no say. 150 acres of land on Moje, and young fool as I'm Kregua, and that area on anyway. And you know, local materials are ready, and this year can once a maybe. The man be see, yeah, the man say. Russia, Ukraine, or Bayana, MPP for the Akoma, Russia, Ukraine, or Russia, Ukraine. I dare importing free Ukraine. It will do a dose one because it will impact on Ghana economy. So, hey, I was. So, John, and then research to say, sir, over iron was now say, oh, Akoma, Manebu Penya. Your friend, the tensile strength. So, our tensile strength, you know. 23,000 pounds. But so far bamboo, I pampro. That's also Akoma Manebu Penya. The tensile strength, you know, 29,000 pounds. Research is stressing. Instead, say, the iron rods, they see dialogue. We get to use some pampro. Number 2, Ghana in pampro, a people from the same put there 50. So the American actually wide my name to wide city so. Sir John, several contractors AC Ghana. Dodo no. So no year flow now. We see from now so year flow level also no. So I'm the iron rods make concrete no. Aboni yan so ni make na. I am not the end of the so as you know. Na the end of the support.
I'm the pampro. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Who did idea no gusto no? Who did
87.9 Kumasi.
it's logically say one room, a room, cement room, iron rods room, number employment in support of Hasia. What did you can't I was say? Some employment shim and what the baby kita.
I see. So in this case, no, I just you can say I rely solely on iron rods. This so the local materials I will come bamboo, but pamproibi.
Baku. Na Pabrono. NDC say processing factory. Bamboo processing factory. Sagalam saying Safina air say no. In Suona air say no. In Suona air say no. Galam saying Safina I say no. Yebedua was within 6 to 8 months. Ebe fifi juma. Ebe and the forestry commission for ebe say juma. You really a factory na factory never run 24-hour economy.
87.9.
One factory, 3 shifts. Nipa miensa 3 people, 1 job. One of my juma no. Yembra construction and so bamboo no ekoye construction ni mo a dice banka koso no artisans no benye dry one one material second material no bibia ye friend no atakwame netikoko die ye nananom ni ye de ye phone no die ye nananom e de ye atakwame dan no die me bi atwam ni ye de atakwame dan na atakwame dan na ne ye no kura no ye nananom die no se de on e so akwa kura se dan ni kuro mu adanse na aduma te de atakwame ne ye dan na wo ya o hyehyɛ saa card house na woni sɛ mpɔmpɔ na ɔde hyehyɛ lines ni mansa na wode net kɔkɔɔ no akwa ho
ai ɛno yɛ abɛ ai sanu de abɛ ne
so abɛ pan no but wetimi so yi so mpɔmpɔ ankasa na ɔde bɛ yɛ wobetimi de ahyehyɛ mu round round na wobetimi mu wi ana
obi okra etimi papa ne saa na yɛde akyekere etim papa pampro no saa na
yeah enti saa na te kokɔ no na yɛyɛ no oven breaks na yɛse utwa akranka bi sɛ mu a phone mu a na wato na yɛ dende na yɛ red ya friend the breaks
and oba sentiment ma ai mza hoye tabere na mfensi yes ofa sunyane stretch no sunya highway no so a how so omuye bi ho ya
exactly ebuakwa side no to say the okota no so no watwam coast to say the coast na sanya baby omuye ayewa no omuye break okọ adanse area wa bojisango side omuye bi wo okọ bi wo ejuso woni no Nimia saa breaks ne bo wo form e chen say one mix and ne cement say we ye blocks na breaks no Kenya University for ye be friend traffic I no so ye advanced one and no so bo one form to say the ultra blocks no and no so madan see ba form na no NDC and John the man Mahama make catch say maybe. And then the charisma to former President Rawlings and they say that breaks see it me so baby abu boy your son for no more bias na breaks manufacturing factory first one bamboo processing factory where your breaks manufacturing factory you be no Ghana me you trying bit media breaks na you and no so be running 24-hour economy system shifter because a diner yes in the doors until a factory no omutra breaks no every time demand no wo into adwuma wo nipa yensa ebe kwa adwuma no bi 3 times within the 24 hours. Anyway, you know, breaks never sabe we are buying construction ne koso ejuma wo honkofo be ejuma you know me can na idea
enti Frank
feasible
Frank you see meba you are trying to address an issue bia one of my viewers ewo Facebook erezi ewo Akoma yedimu we started discussion no that message we about said John, good morning. Have you asked about the price of raw materials of buildings? And one busa what the big answer but no. And today okay, I mean clearly who addressing that issue about building materials and also determine how a landlords a price or dime. And that is what you are addressing now. That is
me value by profession.
Okay.
Valuation and kasa na me expert. I did land economy. It mean CSC that we all cost me boy saying. And look at the young panto landlords for way of calculation me there. You can say ko landlord for them being to kwa no pay but no credit me say. E buy see what people. Untimi kan tell me say yes every year value cost road there. But yes, I value now because you go on cotton dino. But you put it on record.
Yeah.
Oh, cotton dino is different from say a dinosaur now so they might rent now your maintenance. If you can only charge BB and a small fee on maintenance. If you try to bona a dinosaur for the landlord. Yes, and then I'm missing it general because we take advantage of a weaker system. We take advantage say dino being the whole thing. Also, no one only read the transfer.
Yeah, too. And I see a transfer when the pressure also. You would have no option.
We take advantage. Debbie, 18 America say, see, my social house and middle so. Some near sebi near my way in a 2 beta. And Ghana say 2.7 million units. Now, my million material now the but there's a more analysis, a damning analysis. Time I hear population and housing census in 2021. When we say Ghana Statistical Survey, every catcher say, and Ghana Statistical Department say, Ghana here 38 million, no, 10 million. 10 million Ghanaians, a bit of bridge, a bit of car, a bit of patasi, a bit of kiosk, a bit of baby, sebi, a 1 cent fata. In make home. 2021 population and housing census.
And it crowded.
Ghana 10 million.
Crowded in a single room.
Million. I think Ghana 10 million of Ghanaians. And the BB. And so TV3. That's all called street to be so Accra. We can say they have man for name. Mudema award the or rebel. Into they are not running say year free of veranda boys no. Street children, among the down kwan, happening for now the free here. Baby you are doing the Tibet there. When you uncompleted building you go okay. Now man in kwalai. It's the year can you say materials mama me no. They are to so miensa. Solution ne baako yet o man ye we wia a ebugu yesisi aban a yentimi hu say ye ma solar panels mraso de jom drama ni ma America ne say obeboa ma yenya solar assembling plants obebi a ye projects yin eno so ya another factory a ebeboa be bie nyuma na ye point bia dan bia so no roofing no ye be solar wo so solar no be tie wia na ma wo generating power e dia ma it is a dum from the cyber biem said the nei abawo Ashanti region even though say akofa Ameri every takrade some of the monka Ghana for when fan break Kumasi for Kumasi so ba ya gas ni o anya adwuma it is a John solar no e ba be about the bois run 24-hour economy solar assembling plant ye BCC na ye bia ka edan no ho eno so ye na edan tie na ekoso wɔn a wɔyɛ express wɔn ahyia wɔn nimdeɛ no ebetumi anya adwuma ayɛ ɛwɔ saa Sir John wɔn nyinaa wie a yɛsɛ nananom ahemfo na wɔn de nsaase ne ma yɛ for saa 20,000 houses ɛwɔ districts no yɛn nyɛ deɛ yɛwɔ abawomia yɛ ɛni bi no a wɔakɔgye 150 acres a wɔn si wo biem no yɛ deɛ ne sɛ wo nana a yɛ wode asase no bɛma yɛn wo mmɔka wo deɛ ne sɛ ɛdan no yɛsie wie no wo deɛ wo kyɛfa ɛwɔ mu ɛti sɛ nananom ahemfo yɛ value masase no na masase no bɛso ɛdan maako edu a saa ɛdan maako du no ɛyɛ nananom ahemfo na ɔmo de asase no ma ɛne ɔmo abusua ɔmo de ya na asɛm bi a wɔ mu ne sɛ yɛyɛ biribi a ɛfrɛ no mortgage scheme aka ho ɛne sɛ ɛdan no a yɛsie wie no yɛwie yɛ ne boɔ yɛ ebi a me 3-bedroom house maximum ne boy yɛ ebi a bɛɛ 350,000 Ghana cedis and 400,000 Ghana cedis. Sir John otiwe minia no minim sɛ 400,000 Ghana cedis pakoto dan minim mienu yɛ ka bom kra yɛ nya ɛno nti yɛra John Domani Mahama sɛ wo ahoɔden a wo yɛ adwuma yi yɛhwɛ wo mfi a wo a ni yɛhwɛ mfi a aka wo de bɛkɔ retirement. It we are nurse ni we are teacher ni. We are civil servant. We are plumber, we are mating. We stay with each say every month we are scabi kakra. We dey say benchi da ni bi. Say sika nka abekwa akotua say we dey ha dan e me bo fiira na wo betin tokwa ne ade no. Ye beje o kakra for 15 to 20 years. 15 to 20 years in fear do no mean because in fear do no uchian kakra enu say on call retirement no na dan na ye wo dia san hyehyɛ no na yɛra Collins or the bus Akoma estate or the bus Smith flats ebi na nke de ba saglemia ye free power and MPP ba ya omujai to on and you know, see, spreading my workers. Never easy, I'm a worker, be a so bit in Yako GB. No chan and kakra. A same way, and yasam de. A dining ball from ye the local materials now, ye when ye juma ye. Yes, I seen no quasus ye juma. And son, ya spread the amount, no chan and kakra. So our policy way is the best housing policy ever me. That is a mystery, dear. Say political party afa no they are sending manifesto and yembo this about so near John Dramani Mahama now asida a bit media man and say on the 7th of December you better abama no na maminka we unim say maybe education sector kakra share one more omo de ewo primary and secondary schools teachers baby a omoda brim to say Sir John teacher ni a okwatra akwala ade ya post na ko baby obeda your problem and you know onya dream fine pon fan chade from kindergarten to junior high school to senior high school to tertiary institution a problem in Ghana. John Domani Mahama say teachers accommodation wafa ye bi sisi dan ama teacher for nya baby ada e was school mu ho no mo nsase na ye jeje to ho for schools no nsase no so what's the deal kwame nkrumah nyansem no we say school bia no e be expand in years to come expansion no na nye only about classroom nko teachers bungalows kan ho 87.9 bi ombe di canteen kan ho say etiminya medical facility kakra clinic e kan ho sa na una kakaka secondary schools in sa na de dawa kakaka no enye nyina na ye for accommodation o vision say wo say baby ani pe twa hia bia no some infrastructures because of any entino so timi CBB bata ho lo ho sports bibi center kakra wo gym bi a obekwa akwa exercise for some timiye san mama ni na ama community no aye kama until on the senior high school secondary school na John Dramani Mahama say nkola ni wie SHS a ene ya ye ka free SHS a wo so ba obeto asui wadwene wan say akola bi obe free SHS na ko tertiary no say John oko university a oko nursing training wan ko obe ko teacher training wan ko obe ko technical university ya dwene wan say nkola na eko university won ko mbedan
I've already more private hostels are almost
say aban adwene wan say na aban university a ka private say who dey private no
but say no so and also what the private sector Frank and also what the private sector so it will participate in that at least creating an opportunity for them
exactly it's not me point me say no private sector no hostel or university both was in Akoma it make us a match or na make us hold on to private na minimum America no say so okay say oh my free SHS in Kolani school okay in Kolani nyina akọ omo wie na omo ko tertiary no omo akoye problem wo tertiary ho esan say baby omo ko no omo nya baby ombeda eti ye NDC amanyeko ye ka say ye stress free academic fees no John Dramani Mahama say we introduce we be a friend no bed for all system bed for you know we work here in university we are fortunate you admit to Katanga from first year Katanga when I'm die second year me call Queen so second year me call Indi third year me call County 5 year me ba Republic any Queens at the same time because now you work sa tactics na here the tennis school mo ni bi no na one no money your friend be in out the first year oba na onya baby da second year wa akope baby da third year wa akope baby da eno na John Dramani Mahama say bed for all system nature say in sasi yeah we ankra omo year into construction to say movie and other business companies or more into construction how almost 60 hotels for our campuses no ebe yan say na so masene na ya boa mo sisi hostels every university government university in Ghana including nursing training teacher trainings and you know that problem say ni padodo SHS omo quarter share means accommodation nti akwala we oba and I'm saying this for a fact because our friend mama na ka share me ekope baby ope hostel wenya wakoni na mu obi abante bi so obenya baby ama not na ko school no ono so nim say ono so student etianye on fa ntuma mbone dia na na say wo ma ne baby ada say John e dey akwa no sika ye
oba ne be ma omo
wa frefro
oba ne be ma omo da this is serious
me see a group me so many negative social biases negative ama omo area our universities no one e take advantage e dey omo die no mankofo without any bia e chobu onuma because akwa na ni aya no 2020 no school bie onye registration so obenya baby amanada okay omo die ba ko bia amana han eno ano no ono emu anese odi akoyo
okay
na ko fase ma
okay so Frank let's deal with this let's deal with this
for all system no ebe boa na edi adwuma ba
good so
the universities are omo benya sa dan we no omo ho so ato omo
okay Frank jina so mame e for safe na join here me Frank Aboaje de Nyansa na Edin Komo ye share in fact Obia for years in real estate development Ghana ha ye no ha but far away na no pay din commodity but Obia wa be was a discussion mu na ye share the NDC policy on housing and Odia Femwa But we have some questions. Maybe time with you. I want to find out from you. And already the ye di hun koma ye nwie ye one. The area e number 2. What is the position of this government, the MPP, the NDC, on the area? Any affordable, send your person affordable, no? And here one. Number 2. The Yaguswa, ye, Edian, Anna, Mobile, Edia Fahum. These are 2 things I'm better will claim my na ye the uncommon. Okay. I see. 1. The area and the any affordable.
Yeah, your area any affordable to say as a correct affordable housing. I mean, or 2 for say to the second housing. I mean, can ye? But I'm mentioning to go also and I no pay. Or 2 for say to the second housing. I was a correct man. The position is a Namia Duma. Now you are John Domani Mahapawa. Finance institutions are and you focus and say one per retail businesses. Data makers and say banks are what we and they so who can now say don't cast or people see could see that moment because someone say a better answer when you see back. But your finance institution are ya me bonya de no ne ba de na ne yentimi nye no omo be spread no over a long period no mo na sokusa pressure no eti example ne say e bia 120,000 they are making 1.2 billion one room here wo asoko e man point say if they think you be spreading no 20 years no see a trim spreading no 40 years amount I was uchiano bosumi biano Sir Jones tell about for more and you know instead say you make us a tramene bo brother turn and you know you bet me the ama na finance institution no achia yen aban ne ka owners of the property no eka everywhere na finance institution na spreading no over a long term said the beya nipa no betua na kakra affect o na nipa na project ne ne dia na government nso no ya rekupu ye sika no because sika botin no ya je every bank ne ho but why clear
me too pa
no first one no second one no so now say example yes aglemi yes ana opatre
I when
the ye na ewo so dia na be no nyesa ye ra John Domani Mahama position say saglemi e mo bi ampa ne sanka so wentimi anya agya siwo oba ye be ba be wie na ye di ama eno ntina o ka se o peso ye 20,000 no e ka ho no de ti e be ba be wie di ama no say ye nyamente ye say ye ra kojo opon kroma e say aban na shortlisted 5 investors bia omo de koma wo mo na be ye
Akoma FM 87.
the whole say ye de ogidie say sa sika na private investor na de ba no aban won say papa ye ndisi aban e be ba no e won say papa a wo mo abe provide ye be provide say ye de awie ye mpese be private sector bia enti one na ode ka hono ma men kan cho one na yera John Domani Mahama e bia ka saglemi da won say wo contractor wo do ti be kwa akosem no kwa akoje dan no you do so at your own risk your power ye beje from nsem waka enti no you stay off a Ghana for property Ghana dia ye mpese be ye privatize individual bi nkofa there be Ghana dia it was say
okay. There is another question where a listener also interested in the discussion. I'll say, so what is the assurance that when it is completed, it will not be taken by quote and unquote a well-to-do politicians and others who are self-actualized? this is a question say movie emeye sa ni bi say na asoma we mu na wa hoden to be able to occupy those areas bi mu kra de no oma oni ya wo mo de yo mo so business
Matias because oko me tene asepa cause so ko ma mbo de na esikafo bi ajeje dan no mo de omo sa de han hia for sabi esikafo na ajedan no every senator ana omo de han hia for so ko ma mbo dan na ego ni na 1052 double area completed around 350 they are at the different stage of completion around 200 and something. They are currently for Monsankai. Omaye structure no but Munja fitters. And the solution is a diner here can you see 20,000 across Ghana. All this meaning is a buying penny phobia and Mexico for Ghana now. Because Bakwaji Dina so no, you're registered, we are civil servants, we are teacher, we are nursing, we are salaried worker, we have organizer, we are plumber, ultimate say, Busumi Bia, Sika Unyano, say na unya, na ya no so, near Yames Frama, and my own fee, say Aka National Women's Development Bank. It's that bank, Nimpo, every 3 have funded, sa mortgage, I can't answer me. It means about my routine. There's no way. Ebekwa kodi politician bi ansem. Yera John Domani ma aka say we a politician now na ban mu. Na uboto muti na ba ya ko private sector. Onu ni traka o say on pese aban ni pa bia be ba beto aban. Eja pade waka. Ko ansa na wo be waka. Nti no eno de housing units are yaking. Gap for Smith Flats no.
Okay. Frank, 4 years and as the good crata so I only a channel opinion and ebe koso. The question is you bet me Ashe if the NDC ewenia enya sanyema we a wokan in 4 years.
So who set your priorities right? Nothing should stop you from achieving them. Look, when the Busimuka, Minoka say, you were invested on my crowd. Even bamboo as a man no kai, will be Tiwa, every descend, Yaman assassin, Yaman bamboo, 6 months own could be a Obia Dianiska. About 1 cent, if I do a bit beyond Abetoma, present factory, no special. Idea, you bet me again and now metie so abaya bana yekita sika ne say investors I mean it will not take us even 3-4 months to set up that factory. And a private investor partnership said them no okay any banks na yes say ya na manone amana aye possible and yes I feel you try and error. And you be like yes, Aglemia, you did NDC a free son. But this time around, you can see any year. Anything like I say, your first sector back who a mumai. It will be to me, like I say, maybe I buy many share, free SHS and Qua, baby. Now I'm about to school, not me, not me, your parents, me, your Juma. I call any SS no bad day. It's your best way. Yeah, dear, say, this is what we have. I bet you Diama or my Ghana. Now, Yera John Domani Mama, the track record, say from the nation builder. Nation builder, no, now what I say. This time around, will be 20,000 houses because, well, yes, ugly because we see hospitals are outdoor from our hospital near there. It taking 4 years. I know the sea from our hospital. What you say? And take it, in less than 2-3 years. It do 90% completion stage as an NDC official. It's a back record no. I'm a deba house in Nemo.
All right.
Now, would you do my pass? Penina Medina Chile John Mahamano or Sia.
Okay, Frank, my emfa will see her. Na Yami Adoma, me sure say, Brepem, you been your bread out one commiso. Na Yahweh, how we will be able to deal with it. We have friends here for Frank.
Martin, I say, ma telephone na ma say yeah, kono mamenka binche security agencies kitu ebi. Omo koto aba on the 2nd of December. Police, soldier for, fire service for, all security agencies are more Ghana. Joma ama koto sremo. On the 2nd of December, wonko chile kwa eno. Wonto aba farmer NDC amapo. We be a chilian wono. Na Ghana for nyinara on the 7th of December. Yanko confirm His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. So no, and your person oba no bedi or mine so. Now the second coming, said yes, you America no. Ebe super. Na Ghana for nyinara be do boss assassin so.
Frank, may I say thank you very much. For any Frank Abuaji de Nyansa and an pay you didn't come on housing. In fact, we a discussion started a bit trim. Na ya share the other political parties so some they also dey ba on this policy. In fact, very important because rantia no do na ukrum ha no housing rent a major issue at the mawana a on headache and they be ankrofo ti amukọ adwuma enya asem keto ni nyina ya de baako akoma ode ni sika nyina be faka eyesa no peno ontimi ti okọ na be ababe otimi nya be 1 hour na obi ti ofin so na oso no pa ba oba adwuma wo aduma I mean ofin so kwan ya edu wa bia na abobbo yi amna ya de demu yi eni wapon wo kofie traffic enye de operu no giant board dodo and hajin observe o message no e by Facebook page Akoma 87.9 FM na o share okay so very important yes okay all right ma yen share messages about for or say twafo yaw one the question about say ya share the building materials and so the cost and also another thing Evelyn share UK Evelyn said John may show UK ya me say ampamo ya adwuma yankopon kam ho I say akroma so free Germany Masaud kuma se bantama I say Supreme Court call the Speaker of Parliament and all the NDC MPs to order Bagman man toni ni trimu pass ade bia ni ho a eni awie e bre ne beso okay and there also I don't know Shamaba Edina Brinya or say Mampani Adodan Kwakufuado also started packing the things na on free Jubilee House eno de Mampani ono ya we say any time aso nti eno de me sure say Shama ona okay good to be good or say Afenyo Marken is not a politician right for my entroso na yenko yanim Bizamo a leading member at the movement for change Bizamo
yes
good morning na pomo I see. Movement, no, the butterfly, the butterfly army.
The yellow army.
The yellow army.
That's right.
The yellow army. Hey, army for no. Now, Mose, and now, son, I, mommy, what town?
Yes.
And oko. Kejetia ko race cross ne emanu kudim komo na in fact na I had opportunity say me so me interact with and no power studio Hansan woko na many dia chire dia course ne ade nyina no it was good we hear you the phone so no many ajepa and no a clear indication that Ashanti region all the political parties is say money wa ha said there we nam the other side. I didn't get nam the other side. Na Dr. Omuba me also nam the other side. I am picking information say I didn't get telling you about Trasso. Nanka we 7th. Nanka we crown sir. But I'm told so about Trasso now to 13th. And I'm picking information say former president so beba. Just say Ashanti region focus no.
It's about leadership.
Sir.
Who is exhibiting leadership? That's what is important.
At the end, the bear assess that leadership. Because as we speak, we'll be a
about where I got to a big journey, honesty, integrity, and competence.
Honesty, integrity,
and competence.
Wow.
Sanya manona umokotoaba. The honesty, we can't be a udini any integrity mudi and our competence would be a would the addition is our share ye now ye and ye or to papa so. For baby or minor do
I will be to papa so.
We are a crossroads. But maybe I don't see a leader. We the enemy fan partyism. Say me party ni any woman to dra. He been in the air course of parliament is here. Young people before I go to Obama a baby.
Your money got to Obama. I want to Obama, dear.
Young people before the two Obama
baby. Parliament the two Obama.
But say na MP before no doors on NDC for a then NDC need be Speaker of Parliament. The Reverend one of more kind. Papa.
I was saying,
was your vote is the kind of prayer about the kind of world you want to live in. About better one. And then a better empire our baby episode. And then before the Parliament complaining, say baby na money candidate. And I'm to see I'm going to buy.
I don't know. I don't see who can say more problem among. When they have problem, also can.
And the work out problem, no American. You know, empire, our boy, a problem, I was encounter, no encounter. And say, I bear to you, got 2 more beer, Basabiana say, who chill, a mamma complaining, Jobia. Sanity is about leadership. Why not say, said, oh, man, or betty my say, Sikasemi, I must Kasemi Gina, and I'm be a beginner naso. Because a minor Gina swinging agent is Sikasemi economy. One knows says any payments and one knows all the economy manual. Or betty me as she shen a man near Marcano, I follow. Because this Casabling in an hour be bien wow, by yan in your market, see, I can. Oh, betty me. It is out to an hour dream way. Maybe I be sit down and see a part of market them. Naka unica pro. Yan answer, you be dead dreaming, sir. Bocres canon answer also obesi down. I think I'll back a top plot. Obesi down. Uma eno nana no be episode na obetum do matna usika se mo anye osuza bia na utopian promises nko na ade man edi ano de esi anya obi a wo miensa na mo ban who has the capacity to stabilize our economy wo kan no de akoye digida ha stabilize our economy is very 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 important, very critical. Says interest rate, why no betim my interest rate above from? Why now betting by virtue of or no as a leader of this country, no, or betting me my exchange rate na reduce because the economy, most of the other things are based on speculation, especially when it comes to the financial issues. Now, speculation. And the one who bet my speculation, where the other man on pa, or bet my family economy na any. Now by then, you could bet me $1 na bafo. We hear lunch Martin now for Baumia now for your mama siwa. Why not send me? Because women say they have been in the system for a very long time. I'm not for study with Moana, women son. Why pa Ghana for being Shimun say, where the other man or bet me a ye, no ye. It's only a man as you because about Okotono. When you have tobacco, the next 4 years now, your opportunity to do you. It's all Cotonas about church, as in meow said the Amy is in a business. But I'm pleading with the letters you are more in. Especially Sunday region. Me let me tell MPB informed back. Also cool who are first things who look massive. You see how one of the stations or Casa is young, but let me tell you. What does it? Now, anyone who I can say or bah or coffee a man's here, no acquire or said the acquiring see any. Now, baby, or to Abama on what Jeffrey on Marco now have a time. One interchange, I'll try to know 5 interchanges back on Graham. Oh, the piano was 100 years motimia. And one said, be a mobile, we will become as a major Casa, not only a Crama Obras here. Don't the Babes are a Crama Obras here. Crama Obras here. Yeah, 5 interchanges immediately. Yes, Siana, Eba. I will hold that traffic war on my name. emu dia he ni wetima wie wo ma kire ba ko pa wo ma wie ba ko pa wo ma wie wo ma ma kire ya wo ma kire ba ko pa e kire ma me kaza
so
o dia say wo ma kire ba ko pa wo ma tima wie no wo ma kire
so the question now true
we am asking you question say
and Ishakwa
mesra ade ba ko say ubie phone lines no a ka mesra pa say inse say nkrofo be kan so ko mu say questions go mu nya say woni host no a wo bisa questions
mo di guy yeah after for ba nanka
ye betimi kura
nanka what da bi esi ade
ye be maintenance ni you so as host no mu
some questions
now better questions ye beba abufu e shan nkrofo mu ni they don't even know o better questions ye beba ko ye de ade na ma say bra ba o ti o ntimi an yes me ba no me what be that so amam ntimi ma no atwam Ghana for sebi and asanteman any Ghana for nyina no say we are ye nyina ni da ho what I say we mu na kure say wo famu a bibia ni ho a ekoso ye and you come and tell me say wo ba na ba be skabe na ade be how you are going to do it
me da say
I want me anya wo ba
my man Alhaji Akwa na Alhaji Shak Chibrebe mira bokode
Many akakraka.
say ade you say transi open so that is okay
nyame adom boko na so
me say me yeshia ya che
enche sa
me say me no shia yesi ya de
enche
na no ba say na me wo ha na me but yeshia say de edi nkomo say de ache pa ache say apon boko de
nyame adom
na campaign ko say
nyame adom bibia da boko
oh
what to say you know offense say achichide na ntie bibia da boko
nkrofo yam shishi bo mama say I mean things are hard, times are difficult.
Times has never been easy. From Chroma time it has never been easy.
But you can measure
what?
How difficult?
Measure what?
How difficult it is?
Measure what? You can measure what? Okay. I want to quote a man.
Mm-hmm.
When I finish the quotation, maybe I say wine in the cancer. The pandemic has had a generally deleterious effect on the economies of African nations. This has devastated many African economies and sunk them deeper into unsustainable debts and economic downturn.
Kaimi.
Our friend is saying, His Excellency, the former president, John Dramani Mahama. Nabruchi lecture Akoma. I want to repeat that. The pandemic has had a generally deleterious effect. Check his choice of words. On the economies of African nations. This has devastated many African economies and sunk them deeper into unsustainable debts and economic downturn. Emphatic statements. I know make here. It is so because at times I had you must accept it. I must accept it. Mr. Friend is saying Amwa must also accept it. If we say no credit, if we say bibi na kofaba
na be ni be free.
Growth is now on, the momentum of growth is now very, very good.
Chitabeni be free.
Oh, we better than we free mu. Saying
the pandemic they are bringing na make.
What completely.
There be yes sir. Nza hoto there. We won't even talk completely sir. But I mean maybe I warn the pandemic akofa but the Benny be free.
So what I'm saying is that you work with the indicators. As a matter of fact, the year of the pandemic, na Ghana record positive growth of 0.5%. Economies are kesia womo betiti se nchia Obua chacha. Grow negative. Whether it's United States, United Kingdom, France, Germany, Israel, whatever, Italy, all of them, they grew negative.
This year,
this year, the growth momentum, first quarter this year is 4.7%. The second quarter this year is 6.9%. IMF, I review the projected growth of 3.5% to 4%. And I'm confident that it's possible we can make 5% this year. And the indications that there is a rebound is there. What is that Mr. Amwa talking about?
In the case of the Obos to be about exchange rates, there is nothing that indicates to say there's a rebound.
It could have been worse. Exchange rate 2022 depreciated 54%. This year, 24%. If you compare 54% and 24%. Don't laugh. Let us get serious and stop what you are doing. You see, at the point, they make it. Alan Kwadwo Martin was trade minister. Oh, Minia, why should you make kind word to be win? You will never like it. You never like it. Let's get serious. Because Ukasana never came in. Let's get serious, please. This is a very serious business. We don't want to be here people laughing anyhow like that.
I am not position microphone here. I'm saying, my evening come on. Yes, I answer. Because I want him to, flow, yeah.
A presidential candidate is not a party.
No, so
The presidential candidate for the movement, he was the minister for trade and industry. First term, second term, up to a point. What is he talking? What's Mr. Boy talking about? Is trade and industry not an integral part of building the economy? Is that what he's trying to say? Or no, the boss and the chair, the cabinet committee on the economy. You understand? It doesn't wash what? It doesn't wash what? What do you say?
And I will kind of say near
the American say governments take collective responsibility. Nobody is running away from that. And nobody have said baby, as I said, you know, that's why I started the quotation of His Excellency, former President John Dramani Mahama. Something has occasioned it. Not just here. Now, when one more to me, Wahadia, and ye, you could grab one thing, you make a frank international statement, they attributed to the external shocks. That's the hypocrisy I'm trying to refer to. Absolute hypocrisy. And as Nelson Mandela said, "O nipa bia wo bepe position, and that's supposed to lead nipa. Will changing the principles as and when it suits him. Bia cannot be a good leader." Just as what Alan Martin did, just as former President John Mahama has that. You understand? So this is the issue.
And
what do you say? And so what I'm saying is this. We acknowledge the challenges, but we also say walk chest out and say we have done extraordinary job within the Fourth Republic and within the constraints. What you say? 2014, I'm going to answer like so more petrato. Google, if I'm lying, throughout Akufo-Addo, a friend is saying 8 years. Man, I was like, have you seen a single queue and one line? Government must find $400 million per month to import crude. Economy irrespective of the costs. fuel station, it shows. It does. Oko hospital, check if there are no medicines there. Salaries are paid. What is here? Trade balance under NDC stayed negative throughout 8 years, except for 2022. Trade balance stayed positive throughout Adodango Akufo-Addo years. We are saying there have been challenges. Nobody is denying that, but it has not been absolute abysmal. No. When you compare the records, what is here? It's very good performance. Very, very good performance within the constraints.
Constraints near Ukraine-Russia war.
External shocks, they were very devastating. I have to be very frank with you, and that's why I quoted first of all John Mahama. If John Mahama is wrong, then
but still now, I mean,
but within the constraints,
won't convince me when we are getting out of this.
Oh, economic situations, even if fish, which is an established research institution, give a prediction, it does not always come accurate. What is here? And that is why I'm not giving you the prediction. They predicted that Ghana is going to grow last year 1.5%. We made 2.9%. Almost double. 0.1% now I double. What you say? So this is what it is. What is here? Many Ghana's economy is recovering. And all the indicators show say it is recovering.
Anyway.
What is here? Within the constraints, I will list all of them. A positive impact in the lives of people. What is here? Yes.
Right, me that's it. That's fine. Lawyer Kwaba. Aye. Campaign I'm watching yana.
I say what you say in Germano. A little stretch. And I didn't pursue cry. And I didn't pursue.
I see. Now campaign to say.
Oh, opening. Oh, somebody was it to a book about Diana's ababo. Nti nsɛm a abayɛ wɔ so wɔn kaayɛ na wɔn ayɛ no west nti no ara na yɛka ka amanfo a nti yɛnhyɛ da yɛnka no pii ɛsiane sɛ
ɛna sɛ mo campaign a ɛfo ama mo
o sɛ wo no nkasa no wobɛdi adanseɛ
adanseɛ de sɛ menim akyi
meba na ɔfa Isaac ɛka principle sɛ Mandela ka asɛm bi sɛ ɔpanin a wɔde principle bi bɛpɛ akonnwa no akyire principle no sesa no onye word say yɛ ma kwan ma ɔdi akonnwa anka na Akufo sɛ nkɔnyɛ president anka yɛmpi kyine dadada mama example ɛnyɛ Anas principle ɛna ɔde bɛdi akonnwa sɛ ɛdɛ ɔbusa no maka wɔ nyɛ sɛ me nkwa na mekasa but Anas principle no ɛwɔ yi ɛnɛ obi a wo bɛsɔre sɛ wo fight corruption kwa no bɛyɛ MPP enemy in fact from within ɛnɛ Professor Frimpong Boateng ɔmo yɛ ɔbotamfo in fact ɛkyerɛ kura me de sɛ ɛsɛ prosecute no ɔpani a wɔgye ne ho bɛsi hɔ boa ɔman sɛ bɛfight corruption no ɔno ɔbɛyɛ ɔman no tamfo
ɛne sɛ ne nkurɔfoɔ
domolovo wamayɛ MPP tamfo anaasɛ ne ɔwɔ yi and he fears for his life and if his principle ne de bɛdi akonnwa ne sesa deɛ a now from production to taxation from taxation to production ayɛ adwuma Ghana without it ayɛ adwuma protecting the public purse ayɛ adwuma ɔfani mamu yɛn kɔ hɔ ɛna misati sɛ petro NDC time na yɛ kiw si yɛ petro sɛdun edu baabi ayɛ mamu yɛn kan kura nkyɛn Ghana fo ɛnɛ fuel price kura increase kura nkan ho asɛm bi mu because we lost touch yɛntumi nka nti obi agye aka NDC time no bi a once in every 6 months bi ti no bɛyɛ news and then when was the last time obi can fuel price increase kura ho asɛm because adults wan to say obi a yɛntumi nka ho asɛm bi mu
they say they eba from
Oh, right.
Eba from kakaka.
It's the best in the whole of
But enya dia won say etim dia sesi e boka.
Musi media where we are
No say you can.
What is in the media for the past 3 years media be ka fuel price increase once am da
3 years emuwa. 3 years emuwa.
Because I don't sun think can be 3 years you die huh and nobody say to for mu na ye attendance na ko ka shira wana boa. First na you lose.
The media don't come. You see the issue is that I mean,
but manunche mo fa no no mo fa Isaac de yin na ye kwa yi o se kire so me fra sama no no free su tabe percent o ma hin na me so no ena mo fa mo so me ti so wo so MPP ni su na enkofo de o mo sia bobodwen esa de yin na se ayi mu na mu ni yin na eva
o free bango.
okay bango ayi around ho no oh you see o na mo fa no edo mo se abobadwen
ene se kire fo mu die nie mezo so me free ai afiyase asokore ni
se jenglo ai edo ndi asem no de man ya hamte se mo fa no ma brain pipi mo do mo se abobadwen ngofo na ngofo na wie
na se of free mu nche
oh udie
se di die bi o man ko e di bia wie ansa no film
so empanimfo bi dize mo fa mo anum na o hinto hope se do ye ya mi nya pani ya bo bia samon because mo ja party a serious o se bibiasi na ni nyina mu no mari se Dr. Bomia wo Ashanti Region
o ha nya so wa
na mi hu impact mi hu environment bi na wa ye bo na hu dey for 26 na na rekro mu a
ede ya me hu say me hu
se me dey me hwe kakra na hu na o se me kakra na wa yi
na no me koto omo wo offenso north
south or
north
Akoma da hon
ti me free ho na me ba ya me ba be drew ahinkro na me squad bi ebo eye gala ho ana me twafa bo amai kakra numbers no na my
numbers 200 from each constituency 200 and the official
from each constituency.
Yes, so we need me boa call any constituency get no so me boa o mun deny.
Ti ma me mo eno hwe. So see
na kakra me hwe ne ye akimamponua. Omo asambo ohimfo asofo ne yina through Dr. Bomia hospital bi na obo ne tin kokura na so obo ne nsem. Because man wo keka no. Wa keka ne pen. Ena nkosi hwi ndi waka na no kwa na ne kura ya fam. Omo hwe ne si ya no mo si mtase. Ento pani ndi e kan say ebredu se Ghana fo hu say yemfa entro ne na da emedi akonya. Enesi ekase
ba se muso siri nkatia wa ha eno so impact no
na se general edomo a ene crowd opuru Dr. Bomia ntime meho se general no on one side you
all because you think that Ashanti Region
why is the NPP national chairman
wait
why is the NPP national chairman they can't vote him away
me monitor ne but you think that Ashanti Region is okay with the NDC than the MPP
and them no kase no Ashanti Region adani abedi mo fa oh pe de ye percentage ya pe no to secure victory no abroso that's all we ni madibo mo kan say mo fo no say baby odo so bi akasa
no the same say mo 30%
na say obi aye man no mama aye man 400,000 votes be little over 400,000 representing about 27 and 26
2020 asam na
2020 America
I was 600,000
and 2016
2016 was yes around the same figure.
It open here, young fans on the average, and this election be a mayin 25% on the average since 1992. And Ashanti Region had 2 people 75% above. Sa besin ne. It's a debate to come in this very infrastructure. Open young people and all 75% against 25. And so I can tell you on authority say most of the monumental projects need development here. Ashanti Region do this in here.
Most.
Albany, ya fund kran kasa mo fi Rollins time is in there. Hey, o career electrification Rollins. Rose Rollins NDC. Classroom blocks mean to kai. enuntina in 2020 what can you enuntina in 2020 ebra otumfo shia your mama na kufado no say na kufado di ka koye na na kan de wa na manfo nti o say we come over 1,000 projects yaye na your mama say na me de me nka na sa me nka momu sa me kan mako ena ndc bia say accounting to the people nti the projects no kura no obeka sa buku yi ye di gumu say for reference am book yi de green book ye reference purposes green book here e bi pinchi am de say eni na wo pa wa ko hwehwe eni
was also delivery.
Ebi no oh.
There's a track.
Track na nyaduma. Track na nyaduma boba ko sisi azo buma. E start ye gigama for expose wo mo no. Omo kan ho asem biem. Me boa. Say do wo ye journalist o. Asem ye kam wo yi. Omo de track ba ya nkrofo start ye expose wo mo no. 1 2 3 4 no ho asem ko da he. Tine track na nyaduma. Ntu busa de a en check excellency John Ramon member to be say TS that we ya. Na obo hu the euphoria and the enthusiasm you for the best sorry agina chi enta what is fam oba me dim na nam kura no ko hwe dom agina chi ye mbase obi e woni je mbase
Anyway, right. Mizamo amamemra ho ne nhwe. I mean, Ashanti region o started that in common wo ho. Yemra mu ye na ye share why you think mene the why for them Alan Chematin dim common busa say na Santeman hwe ni move from movement NPP and NDC MFMI. You started it. You share that issue na fi. Yeah.
I'm say even ko atuma bonia. Me say who say even ko atuma fa ko to go bridge no so.
And na kwa manso kwanta for so me demonstration. Dr. Mami about chinto omo de omo level kwa no. Manso kwanta o.
7.9
Ahia lawyer mami kwa ama.
Ko to go bridge no so mfa so a. Oh, yeah, drip. Me buy some. Say drip. I'm say drip. I started in my high. What started rent you? Your rent is scanning cover baby.
I must started the drip na rent. For day.
What who's our machines equipment?
But who drip no but they okay dey mo maintain that. Someone more can serious o.
Very serious. It's true.
So omo the drip na ma rent.
I have the ma rent.
For day he fan specifically he fan.
Yeah.
But who say platform? Your platform, platform. You cannot just make any statement.
I will not make any statement. Yeah. I've told you, sir. May have when this hard drip issue, can you say this is not the best way to go, especially a serious part of road infrastructure. Because the very moment they had assembly zone running, the first member from party apparatchiks and they be running machines who are not competent to as operators to operate the equipment. Yeah, number one. Number two, because what government is 17, we mo hwade ni. Na me hunu bia ba ku bia na payloader ne battery wu a e bo no so.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Esi wa na e bo no so. Battery. Equipment bia na brake bands yawe e bo no so. What I say? Enti Sadio is not my car. Enra say ma make. Du baby na machine na e dia ama obi rent.
The
payload
no, but say Ebian assembly na na
assembly
where misa
they are individual rent na your rent you know one say the ogis can baby a ogis can no chile can enko baby a
Akoma FM.
That's what I'm saying.
7.9 Kumasi.
What I say the baby a ni ban gis can e chile say sika no enduru baby a enduru baby a ekon. What do you say? And this is very serious.
And serious to say it here on this platform. Mizamo.
Tax. I will talk about it. Let me talk about it.
Let me question the way you are hosting.
No. You see, I am asking him to no. And that is what I'm doing. And that is what I'm doing. That your platform is so. And Mr. we cannot just make any statement and then, because when you do that, when you do that, Zama,
drip machines they be started call rent.
and
I call rent is getting rubber.
Zama,
Machines yen tax.
Zama, help us,
And
help the country,
what I say?
help the country. So who be a dear man rent? Oh my God! But once no. Once I work Canada, he has to prove it.
No, Ghana for Ghana, we have stake in this country.
Yes, you are right.
But we have stake in this country. We work and we pay tax. We pay tax. Apart from the income tax near other than which was working, we pay tax. If the United taxpayers money, and you did human. Any loans are quite yabasum, and you did human. It is will be if you are not able to it is so
help us so then
serious.
I will treat your work and say
you can decide to treat it anyhow. This is the truth. But it's the officer you true.
No, but help us.
You can decide.
We are maybe be a piano, baby. I'm sure Sabia will be interested in this discussion. And we are all interested in it.
There was a time in this 1 year radio discussion. Radio is very powerful.
Yes.
Yeah. You can decide to watch a wishy-washy it, but it is the truth. When the Makamas movie.
Where's our boy?
Anyway,
Yanko him.
and then they are master announcement.
So Sati Ashanti region. Then I'm saying twice so. And now the drip problem. Drip we now see that is such a rent. And I'm saying boy.
Now when you say, I don't know. Drip machines, excavators, no. Say your farmer assemblies, no. When you say uncoy, then you know regional administration. I know uncoy. So copy good digala. So we release here. Am I lying? You answer a lie. Said drip equipment, drip machines, excavator account, a crocodile assembly. Now, the machines are a full complement of the equipment as a medical. I don't know as a muja excavator. One hour. What does it? Let's come back to Asante region. MPP. They have not helped Asante region in any way. Womobaha, they come back Krama Hobrasia, no better die. They are 12 Bama. Suddenly, that's what I'm saying. What I say? Aha, your main occupation by trading. Asante there, say trading. A dear betting me about trading, of course, we will stabilize the economy. I'm more you want to. And they call market here. Market women soon, come magazine, all other areas will be a warrior in San Maybe. Will be soon because of a choir, with the economy now fast war, what they are question doing at dying. Now, the CRO what you are working, was $1 or can percentage increases. Nominal figures, no, I was a percentage increase. The other thought only percentage. I will move from 4 to 17.5. A move from 4 series to $1 to 17.5. You can't say a workable more 100%. Nipa na okota de na okoto dollar bi akota o crab de no ba woni percentage. What has it? It is mobile. Me dem feel say we serious so mo person win election. Come and apologize to us the way we have messed up the economy. There's some about it now we can say hey na me percentage. We are out of those things. Cause sebi we no okura physical cash do okoto de no. We no hu na de no how painful it is. Yeah, what do I can for the percentage? This is what it is. And the arrangement, what is the policy or they ban say? First of all, on what bar, I do back first area, you know, obey my tackle about man imagine the economy. One was it what Babe aggressive manufacturing and export drive. Within the next 4 years, they bet me about $25 billion out of export.
And we are something now okay. I shan't read you something okay.
If I tell something, you know, but I say, and I something region crown. One young my crown, Sir, I just went to Livono. You have by the industrial hub of entire West Africa. Because when you're my ground, we did 5,000 acres of land. Or no, because of or no influence, and the way we are seeing unity. World Bank supported about $30 million. Korea for us supported about $100 million. You know what? Industrial hub. I be linking a Sunday region and the port, Tema port, by rail line. Because rail line, no, I don't go back here and say, what the name of the port was, Temanas were the Baha. As when you be fair be free as equal. And it's all Kaka now, I could do a station. Just what that day chance on Waba. I just say. And the Bankrano, you bet my effective back on say, you bet my building industries no homes that be rail line, bet me aqua in and out. Babia could be waiting in the name of body weber. Yanukuane workers, you bet my creating here in Yasam Kutua. Do you know, sir? I launched my team, so I don't know, deep Banukwan or Barren, where Yanukuan pa. A bit my boama as on the economy to make it now. To know the one physical infrastructural program, any project here, what they buy, what share dash share, and the regional based. But behind the idea to call something regional, say about the industrial hub of the entire West Africa. It's anybody we say what the deal we say about as on the four Zebi, Yam Chaniya. And near maybe say cocoa. I did that things here. You do quote without any value addition. No? The time they be 10 of the past. You better add value to cocoa because cocoa you acquire 2 billion in expenditure. While bra one woman you be current me at 20 billion and over. It is what we are adding value to adding about 60% value to it near the acquire. That is when a cocoa nkuano one bag the value between more than best 20,000 cedis here. Farmer no between man 10,000 cedis. A bag. Then so we go 8,000, one man 3,000. Of swaggers are now working. And the never boy, a young necessity, she near ma, and Nipa Bonnie be on best woman, it me jai. Cause what 10,000 cities because of the added value to it here. And young, that's what we call baby took out 28,000. Rather than talk of walk around, I would prefer to bring this here to sell. Tell Martin the police and then police. What to boss yesterday? It be PIO criminals say piano. We are going to add value to it. And I ain't she. It did make me account for now. Or no bar say $25 billion out of this grant. Yet that alone, a bit man drive dollar no down. What no Saka say or bar or no within a period of time, we bet my dollar number 5 cedis per dollar. Then say air cost 17 air cost. We say do 17.5.
All right.
Now we know what will happen. The economy, especially when you come to Obama winning, Trump winning, straight away or winning, you know, a woman young and declares are winning. Now a Bitcoin that way are starting to rise. They know say he's the man, the leader who can come and make sure so we build your economy to the right direction. Statistics are hanging now. The economy, Ghana economy is moving the wrong direction. But now again, can figures. Wrong direction. The economy now about right direction. And the policies are clear. And we are clean. All
right, thank you. Mr. Moa, Medase, ma young coy and Niminafi. Alaji Shak Chebrubi and Fire Room. Alaj. Sentimentum common.
Majumano. Majumano.
I don't know what trans and Bibrana.
Majumano. Say, yeah, a sentimentum. Major hospitals.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Number of hospitals are. Yeah, NDC ni MPP initiative almost shase. NDC DMU no. Formina and the Kumawu. The shase Washington region. Adodan kwa kufu ado de. Eye 24. 2 verses 24. Vamed projects eyenum manso nkwanta twede anomanji sabronum probonso agenda 111 yenya 19 trede kokobin boaman nsuta manso adubia kwabanakwa barekese kodie asiwa akrofom adujama asokwa akrem bantema nyinahini onwe wadie dwumakase ena ofrene say ejura enti eyitu NDC MPP 24 projects initiated
From which period?
under NDC I will chair mu ene under MPP adodankwa akufu adobawomia
In the 8 years,
afei si yɛka special health project a yɛhyɛ aseɛ nso so ɛwɔ ha
But Dodi can boss no.
project initiated
What the completion aka ho ana.
may the completion bɛba but mpɛ sɛ mekyerɛ sɛ wɔn na ɛbaeɛ a wɔn no kora nya pepa sɛ wɔbɛbuild the hospitals ɛwɔ Ashanti region enti NDC mmienu ɛnya NDC mmienu mmienu NDC mmienu adodankwa akufu ado 24 afei yɛba special health facilities a NDC from 2009 Professor Mills and Yura John Dramani Mahama up to June 6 2017 a Konfanochi Eye Center Nkwanom building special facilities under Adodankwa Kufuado Bawumia special facilities zipline medical drone delivery Ewumianikum
87.9
one constituency one ambulance mother care unit Konfanochi 270 bed hospital
my record, you know.
and look Mama Rebecca Sam the America that one is also fast going on. Treatment and quarantine facility ewa Chapatre. Comprehensive treatment and quarantine facility ewa Sewia. Please hospital Patasi. Okay? 1 versus 7. Meba unyabutre oh yeah he will vote now no mo ngwan. You won't vote now no mo ngwan. You won't vote so no mo ngwan. Afei number of hospitals are yɛhyɛ a yɛwie number of hospitals are yɛhyɛ a yɛwie
Pretty.
yɛwɔ pretty yɛhyɛ a yɛwie yɛhyɛ wode yɛhyɛ a yɛwie NDC 0 MPP 5 manso nkwanta hwɛdeɛ anomanye sabronum drobonso yɛhyɛ a
Operational.
completed
Banyo operational.
completed hospitals are inheriting in Ashanti region inheriting in Ashanti region NDC inherited Bekwai Konongo Epa Sewia 800 of friends in bed ewo KNUST Aferi MPP and so inherited Bekwai Konongo Tepa Sewia in any Aferi and of friends say 800 bed hospital ewo KNUST and they are the formina any of friends say Kumawudia womo initiative and so akahum. Okay, then I deal with a friend is saying hospitals are inherited ya ye beto ya ye wie Bekwai hospital ye beto ye wie Konongo ye beto ye wie Tepa ye beto ye wie Sewia Formina and a Kumasi. Yanunti Sa information which is NDC and Timian starting one project, hospital project in 8 years, and we Washington region. You count the number of roads are. Let's say metia tonzu. Metia prabo. Atonzu kwen. One shas here. Papa ku 4 year as a quite interchange. Ena Fofia and Trata Wajari Abamo NPP lose power. President Mills and a back commission is interchange way.
Akoma FM.
What about commission? Send you you only came to commission. When baby Jack, I don't Jack and Kakapula.
They are here now. Okay.
We are the and Chemo here. Yes. Mujano Kakakula. T. Mujano Kakakula. Atonsu kwen na wonam so ansana wontimi mfiri Kakakula enuru or friend say high school junction no. Nobody 2 hours. And ne ufaswa se waya na e ofe. Afe yanhwe ofren say ebu akwa. Obi kwa ye ewo bibiani a. Wo free university ho ekokoduru ebu akwa nkwa. No so otimi twa 2 hours. Ukoduru se ya situation no is it the same? Say ye mu ye kwe krom ne se ye fa dwabena.
Na na ko fa dwabena. Fatafo.
Me de me fa ho.
Ye ko zuta tafo na ezo fa.
Na say u fa na u ko dwabena. Na afri dwabena ti se afijase. Na afijase etisi banko. Oh, there's a memetia. Tafo kwa de eni ayin na beko. Eni so me interchange na befa. Enti step by step. But overall Ashanti region 2,000 kilometers of roads compared to NDC, which was even often say less than 400 kilometers of roads.
Or I mean, okay, over separate the new ones or the can say
let's say quite the order that will be improved.
Maybe
Atonsu kwen ya mi ken. Is it the same? It's not the same. No, but
you obi ho eda ho ayenye hia ye kota guswa. I don't know.
We completely reconstruction. What you can say?
Oh yes, that's what I'm trying to draw the line between the air cover to the existing one.
And I make us say a complete reconstruction.
Okay,
and then you didn't know in the roads. I asked fattening na. Bom kwen. Kokobin ekwen. Traffic was so na me ufri me side tonzu na also person o trade and na o oboasia. Bom kwen no ifra ayi offend say Atinga junction na ma pie trade. What I say?
Yeah.
Yanti and this intimi am fan ho to in terms of infrastructure ayenwa. Whether it's hospitals or roads. Yes, we admit. So we need more. But if Ashanti region should get 2,000 kilometers of roads relative to national roads, Adodankwa Kufuor built almost 13,000. Let's just say Ashanti share is a lion share. We are talking about 16 regions. What you say? Say yeah, court. Or friend is saying under NDC, na high court judges, omoba, na hotel, na government, Hefa na build them out. 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 Tie. Hefa na build them out. Now we have exquisite residence. You exquisite residence. You see, if you don't stop, you also not do yours. What do I say? My evidence is Ashanti regional minister. Call the Ashanti regional minister if it's a lie. What you say? So the issue is that and Ashanti region high court judges a gated community, exquisite residence. What you say? Maybe our parents will now so on bedano koko fan koko to we near radie.
They say you are admitting that no more hotel.
You don't know almost all of them but no hotels.
Which hotels?
You want me to give you a register? You want me to give you a register? You wouldn't let me talk. We are also not going to talk. Me heckle throughout. Same program. Me heckle throughout. Yeah, same program because it's a program. They say Isaac. I know how to do it. Isaac.
That is not true.
And what I want it. I want it. The microphone. Just I want it.
In fact.
The program never said. I'm telling you, I can assure you that.
No.
Yes. So let us get it straight.
87.9 Kumasi.
Misamu can trade in Ashanti region. And Nema we are affected will be Joseph Amoa. Na enema wo ya affect obi a die. Se ye no na do danko akufuado de ye se ye beka de a. Sanki ye nwie. Enki ye nwie. Hwe wo friend is saying otumfo said so abebi was anti kotoko hene o friend is saying housing. Baba ko phone sha se. Ado danko akufuado na aba bewie. What you say? Kumasi International Airport. Adiaka and the runway. Then case close. What you say? Let's have a fly here. My use.
You call UK and I.
My use internal. Oh, when I tell you, send a colonial government. Send a colonial government. Say a colonial government.
I'll do
the same thing to him.
No.
I will do the same thing.
So that is why. That is why you also get opportunity. And I will do. It is even good. He's doing it.
I will do the same thing to him.
It's even good. He's doing it before you. You have the opportunity.
I'll do the same thing to you. It's easy. I'm an expert in this. I was over 12 years experience. What you say?
But you got 2 minutes, right? Nah. Yes. I want to give him enough time. So, Mama, enough time.
What you say? The airport, 7 conditions precedent. You NDC, you met 3. MPP came to meet 4 more. Sikano first tranche of the money Sikana and Kasana about 2018, not 2017. And why do you claim the airport to now build the airport? What you say? Now, if you are talking about things that affect everybody, same research now on Okutuon, 85% of Ghanaians say Adudankwa Kufuado free senior high school, free TVET and free STEM no abua womo pa no omo sitem no mo abrabo no mbibia na womo kan say enye ye chense 20 years. Okay. Omo kan say a whimsical promise of a desperate politician. Omo can say, Woman 2 billion, yet 2 billion of the Kukura policy. And ne. Say a row will be a fee, na abua will be entering. Omo Chom who say, a woman at buy. And me see from no, a very obvious.
What's the firm?
Say, ye can't say. infrastructure debater. Enyadia NDC ebetumi ato ashan MPP when in national.
But as Alaji Shachi brobe, I mean I say lawyer. Bremo na mbajo bremo na fi ye nto aso na I we dey fache na
Sajo ade ba ko a man adi enya ye principles a yem fanya adwuma du baby a e ba yi mo set standards bi aman ma me for Ishak no pushi bisa mo say all my evidence asem bi a waka na de na wo sani pa ya mo for Ishak ya wo be ka say high court judges kan ye no mba mo da hotel na my evidence dey have the wood and dey kwese regional minister okay kan nsem say
no
can say
another way that is of
regional minister so okay na fahin date be no okay my platform nyo check it the principle na make 2 okay projects no do be so we the government we initiate here na we beto aso do be dey na the initiate here no what twaja this is your pursue what's the airport and this meet 3 conditions president so therefore one is starting what maybe so question and then the Omagana for who say in this project yes you buy here to us
on the side they will best start to be mo bia
na say so I do be dey no twaja do be so ya waka the initiate me na me refer no na me can say airport no can there where can they start here
and me twaja and ka refer can you imagine
so no me can say so government or governance is about continuity
exactly
in the end this idea you nimi power ya dey who say your baba me as a previous government has started project ya abandon and this ever started project from zero you know it's never here nor there say your banner said woman zika ko project mu a and this year man say kwada
for projects
one
hospital projects more abandon
ebi dey
lawyer are you inviting him
Tepa who are managing Tepa project
me lawyer are you inviting him or overflow
mama preamble say
me ba
governance
me be say who say we inviting
rhetorical question
any
rhetorical question
why you inviting no be mo
me
have problem with that
me presentation bi am
and you
2 so for like interchange any ne road adwuma nyina obi enu say president Kufuor time na obe start na meboa as at the time of president Kufuor kono na ye nsuo na ye atwi assassin no mo start 2 or 4 nibisa
87.9 Kumasi
na say nsuo say contractor movie site or juma
say
I don't know when you say
the issue of continuity and this is subai na man for the me say your man project and say kwa say the mama sagremi I say no kan wura mo no say there afari aka wura mo no last year what for Ishak betina can say o mo wiye say we be commission over 1 year now which of them has been commissioned na e be kan ansam ya to Abashanti radio na mo sesa tools ni na begu ha mo twa gates mu na mo twa na mo nam dua ko na mo yenima masa this time anti radio ye ni ate ho ye ni ate be kan crutch so ye buy affordable housing project ya beto so hospitals a wo bodi ni na kese na manfo ni no fra kwala kwala ba ka kirawo sawua ba kwai afari enu ko ronim obi enim because of the way NDC
but the truth is
because
that
of the way NDC by the project man ye fair kese.
But the truth of the matter is that the truth of the matter here is that some projects nka by now nka
me invite you
nka by now nka wo mu a say nka ye bad
enti na who cause am unim the levels of completion baby and most of them were near completion after don't tell me order
75 million
we be say question after don't tell me order who dey na wo ni nse nwem omo nyame na nwem be kwa ina duru say
omo ye djumo
me say na duru hen and this by the level dey kwa no na me say how come am for tie na mo compare mo they almost jama projects say saglement say after the battle akasa ansan ye wi
after you say I can't name 1 or 2 be umbrella
e be sinne ni 8 years now NDC for Bawana, you do take by. Can't come over if you're singing now. Know how wicked they are. Some of the Blabiano, and your slogans in dinner, agenda 119. The 119, on promise with the
111.
111. Starting on 88,
yeah.
On promise 8 months and I'm a boy. And I say, call 1 year, but immediately. There be a slogans and name, and I people did to grow. So they want to start something, no one see a couple of nobody go. And the projects are okay, can and my son Panta, one projects now, only chips compound, and this be a good grower.
Oh, they can't come on.
Opening, you'll be stuck with him. So because of slogans in it, and I doubt about you today, I want to start something new, nobody must have no more go. And then this by my brand because I say, your 2 projects in so. Yan this year master for about 20 about 20 years. Because mama come fa do some come tackle me say or tackle ni yama we just for a long time. Now answer ma biom and say ne on ba yam so ade 1 megawatt crank house no say o mo so for do so. That is NDC for you. No planning you say oh NDC started 2009 go na. Say John. That is na you do argument bi na o twa na ba bi started in 2009. Na 92 no what is the project you go Santo Region now. Hospital no is say you need 8 years. You need 8 years. Obi na basic ko. Wo be basic ko for noche. You ba no you can say 38 years. The debate the issue is not about 8 year period. Say you ba ko say 8 years ngwa. Principle bi ni e ka no. Ucha jan our project is by ya akwai was Santo Region na akwai na what is the by ya kan ni atisumu grow bebre no di sumu lo ni se ba no se dabi ma yimi ya mani panya enkane dem akwai wo fa wo de kuduro jira ebi adimfie aduanum aduasan enfie aduasan e da so ho ene mbb akwai ya 1 year 1.5 years na say opani dia ba se no ye kan edi dia kan say NDC buy na ofra kola bia so onka hospitals a onimu a the NDC buy ye ni yi nko an oka the okay kan na agenda wa ma no bi e bia ye hu da
Oh, and that is that cannot be.
emu ye no mo wi da
Baby, what dear? Baby, what
dear? Baby, what
dear? Baby, what dear?
It's the NDC there. Sir, it domestic reproduce more. Opening ye ni na in Mr. Dear Mr. Mo kind no. Ashanti region. Ade o manfo dodo no an ji ho ye dwadi ana meboa. Enti ye se ye ba nyema ba ye di tukwa ma adwadi ekoso. Tie do dom ma ba no. E no sikejetia. The center of Ghana. In the same year Dakasia, West Africa have been see that. It's a Burkina Faso for you about. Could you for Bedidra, it's Sim Foba, Nodding, Central, baby, and Timin Sikajetia, and one for to the diesel Dubai. I didn't do Dubai, man. Who can say about Sikajetia? It don't form a demonstration. Tabas said, Joa, only a penny when you're baby co. On organize a young former. Said John Mama to go and say was Kajetia and Timon Man quite. Not Mama say, may ye, Eddie Santini Munam, even though Mama 25% the pay of the votes in answer no, me yimu, may ye. Yeah, John Mama Crown Fansanko or commission is one. That's one Fansanko, one stop.
Commission.
Oh, commission.
Oh, there be.
Miss Commission, any
Okobi.
Mukobi, I was there. What about Chinese commission? Can you tell me some commission?
No project and then you completed there.
And you completed airport no says I airport commission. Your commission completed. Opening jaja says no when many everybody. So mama catch this for so be a fan some come. So no be a fabi. You win you be ya obi odi se bi ne dia ma no ya win ya apa ba no beto so e ba ye o me chen fai. Ebi ni 20 14 15 now. And I must say, yeah, one person. Me make a show. Opa me body me cover figures. Mo ba na mo say, Asante register your mama cry into Obama no ba yes project in there. Mo ba ye fetu no, I can tell your mama there opani fetu no ko hu baby adru. Last year mo so mo be we match. And next 7 krantie ni awo. And ategum wo mo say, ejofo mo tie me a. Fetu no bibi na mo to Obama mo bunu no. Omoti me na aka no da mama so ba esan se kuma se ye dwade ye kuro nti no oba be wi amamo kuro from no anyo se over 20 years na kuro from to aba bum no ah mo party 75% votes amade mo nya no da mama so ba be wi amamo opani the mama cast more you ade na ya na physical who say this ho also we see e blocks 200 asante be nko nya be 9 and 7 MPP say ya ba be 350 schools but asante be say no mo see am say no mo yan kan crunch your listeners ni your viewers no and now ko adujama o so adujama ko see school desk ngrom ene nipa nya ma wo ko pa ko so kwa Greek ba bia be ko bia kuma da no ne ade eyi echi ha ofa aputu oja na wo ko oyoko to mama that is the man o kasma wo ye it is the ban infrastructure dey opani o hwe so de ma to mama kan Japan na kan yo so on wo to man and we project ma wo enso do mama do so on penisa and then can people get come mo sin ka ye 20 factories amma yufu na mo tudi yeti na mo to mama de bia no mo ko yeduma na ko ti obi ye factory na do so ko bata ho say mo ni cement fam wa o so factory
me da say
mo say juta kwa mai factory no one day factory na dey si ho
okrom
banko fi ja say mo say one day cement mo fam wa ni dey say on kan say me mo kan say ni ma ya ma santi region ti mo do so mama people mo kire ye nani ehun bi ni ya me di moji anya sa de a asante region si ye fe de o ma bre ene na da ne ntro Dr. Bomi Oba Oba sa ko ye ntoma on ne ntoma o kira isan say what that asante region ne magazine fo o mu su e ko ye mo dada o mu say but you ko ta wangazo mbay 5 interchanges
okay
e mu say no moye say do ye nyam ko na okro ho na so me fo ye dede kakra bi am say mon ko start so me project na mo dem sia ko bo ho santazi kam do sia bo ho me fo kan o katwa ja o si bomu kwai o ko fa ya ahodo na ko tie setre ada na ho ka say o free santazi na ba to ko de kwa mo ba ya mo tafo de me nka mo nim say o mo nyema mo na nyema mo kira
tafo de say insects
mu azuta has me ko fa jaben fatafo kwa so ko aguna e je fani flexible no
right thank you very much
NDC mama project hene it is so concentrating obi enu do oye
anyway but I say that is lawyer Safo Duku no ma menko ayo na zamwa mamra ho na ye parliament ye parliament die na kakra ye time ye ma afre from rem ye parliament die kakra so speak da bi ohiamwa Mizamo maminti on the happenings in parliament for the second time parliament say omo try say ombeko na omakoye business it didn't happen. And there's a situation we are in.
Now who calls them? Okay. We are say the outward winia. It become no. They say. MPP for no as we need to cry. Say the soft become say abedi chire ba ku bi. Na mo stress we ko nyina.
Akoma FM 87.9.
It didn't start from today. We can't even you know. You don't ask them say, "They was over now no day." Parliament, ever quite problems we them. It started from where Adenta seat, MPP for Boa, Ejima NDC, Samira, Nya Bema. That's where it started. Adenta seat. Send MPP na na occupy. Ya baba say na.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Because ya baba say my say movement ntino.
Na omojima. NDC ni gra briefing day. Samira brother. Ramadan Abu Ramadan. Onu ko da onso di abuza abra.
Onye ya Abu Ramadan. Onye ya Abu Ramadan.
Ramadan na omojima no. Eno na ho na Genesis na ho na free. Ena ko ma sa eyi no ko paye no 137 senya sa de no a omoye ya because of abedi akiri ba ko binti omoye ya ma sa sit
Adamu Ramadan.
Adamu Ramadan right. Ma sa sit no bo mu no nanka ebi kura na esia ma issue no kura nanka nya bi
Ndase nye ho nkwa na say MPP do susita nye ho nkwa no muluzi no zamwa ye mo discussion
me ka ba ko a na very critical well na sit no a low hanging fruit for them and they left it so because of abidejire baako binti what I say because of abidejire baako binti na say sit ni free omusa
Akoma FM 87.9
according seats no ba 137 na
Identity.
esiama ho behia ya ema omudwane de gwato akoma omudi gwato akoya oba ya obeka obema 138 137 so what I say number 2 ebra omo ba parliament ya na omu yi speaker no na MPP were 138 votes including esiama there and na NDC were 137 votes the two aba near we are 138 137 one against
87.9
because 138 because MPP for now kofa omo aso speaker by enom tutia no ene omo atoma NDC speaker ene obeye speaker and then Americans say your vote is the kind of prayer about the kind of world you want to live in no and is a kobuba wa wo nya wo na wo be kasa o because one why ye na ehihye wa ye di mo bi ahonto no ye na didi mu aba beduru ba bi a ye wo sesi ye ana esia maso de ana mokoko to article 97 cross 1G and F one de na F ana mo de pamo ni free parliament ana mo so mo de asi ne de ade no pamo de a mo se da o de ase koto de no boge ye nyanjere de ongo ana akofa sa how we nyina ba na mo call parliament ba ko a o mo agyan ne ye no mo court ade na ba yese mo mra parliament your friend speaker adinkra nkra abase mo mra parliament
Akoma
ena mo tam na so a
Emu de na wo kan second one.
second way
And they say
it was a call.
what it is a call the member be bra ade na maba mo nko parliament wa na mo gina nche na speaker akotena ho the other half akotena ho mu ba akukura enwura ho what I say mu ba akukura enwura ho mama kan ye mu ba akukura enwura ho no na si aja ni ade no a afa na mo betena ha mo bekem enye mo na mo nkrofo aba say enye ebisi no mo ye caucus meeting ebisi wo mo ahunu that time na so hwe wo mu amu no can Japan is saying different things two other people they are all saying different things actually say wo mu they are not ready to rule oh ne ndimi fi yesika ye ndimi fi yesika ye taxpayers yesika ma mewemo mutifi amungo enya yetu amuka what I say mo na mo se bills bi ho a ese mo ko pass a ya no nti mo ko parliament na mo ko duru amanguram kura na nka manguram kura na ehunu ze bi aboko obi abetena dabre na na nka ebi a ye no kura banta no na say omunyi ho jiwaje kakra ebi anko be kan bi am moti abonten na mo ka say obi a afrɛ panyin afrɛ say bra woti abonten na wo say mahunu ze time aso
me da say
na wo speak say we omu yi enye you know timamfo no na omu edi adwene edi agora na
me da sipi mama ma alaji ishak chibrobe emremu bi na yenhwe na yema o da bi se mi fi ha
Esa Akoma lawyer na.
mi fi ha na makwa ha dia
Abi who call esa very no.
ebi esa ne ayo no esa ne ayo no alaji ya no ayini ya no
Yes, esa but who says so very uniema. Onye na juma say.
ade we do person kajatwa na
I say.
we be so we do kajatwa
Oh, media. Sir, we are multi-system player. You don't.
yenko na yenhwe na
First of all, SSC agitum. Say, we are say, uti we are say, susu time will be. Na, o tenhunu na. Misamwa, e wodi tia, mamudu ba womiya. So Ujaya.
Akoma FM 87.9.
What you say? Seats are a lose year 2020. So all can seats are a lose year. Now because of maintenance systems, my lose year. One check is identity seat, you know. So a safe seat, my MPP na. Identity seat a swing.
But I'm a for.
Yeah, near to so, but identity seat na NDC a win the pay a swing. That's number one. Na say oh jaba bi to say wenchi ho. Huh? Na what jaba bi to say akwatia. Huh? Na wako adenta no wakwa vice president any ni yira baby wuremu a. Wow. That's my first point. The second point is that yes, parliament buy minority force wo de mono de yera abansuma na Kingsport Babin kind on bedi so. Enye of friend say Supreme Court. Yenunti omo de omo kwa omo occupy of friend saying majority side. Yeah, in person be create chaos here in parliament. Yes, because Ghanaians deserve it. It is also very obvious. Say, CSE AD and common near see the Papa for the Ebeka. Any in Ashanti region and the Ghana crown can DC, Kamunibi.
Only idea him.
And Kamunibi. I'm just saying, and Ganya will be. He talked about Saglame. It's very important. This is a huge platform. Maybe I made number one platform we say oh Ubahana can you very careful. Saglame $200 million. Ebra yemfa so emo form no. Na contract and woman $180 million. Saglame. What you say? Muka say mumbe see 5,000 housing units. You ended up constructing 1,500. I saw once anyway. Please, Pipacho, Nyabotre. Say,
because of your time on it, your time on it, the subject matter. No, I'm not coming in because of him, but I'm coming in because of the subject matter.
The subject matter. What I'm saying is that. I stayed quiet to be so respected. A tier 4. $200 million. You paid $180 million at a go. Contract Beneza. So we were caught. My friend say that the then minister.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
And Jamatin says, Commander Sugar Factory.
87.9 Kumasi.
More building $35 million. $35 million. Here Roland Jamatin say, as at 2017, our buy, now one shall see an amode my private. Into a buy and we're making sure it won't disturb the process. Name on Commander Sugar Factory na one commission 6 months later bar power no ye the values buy na ye 15 million 35 million less than 1 year ye koko value ya half price less than half price and to misrow say ye can infrastructure debate now they and some ba was yamfa one or friend is a kilowatt of energy. Kura Emma Mekan. More energy commission website. Na more installed capacity no. Na ya 3,794. Say a 5,454. As at 2022 records. Dear Mekan hono. Me mami Abuajua. Anna will pay and what become. Please, yeah, didn't come out.
Okay, Mamma, some 2 minutes between.
Yeah. You have 2 minutes to wrap up. You have 2 minutes to wrap up.
So I give you time to.
You give me what time?
Time I made the man.
Me
Time I made the man.
Time say. That's what me can say 1 minute crack.
No. That's not true.
Me can say 1 minute crack.
That is not true.
Time Bernard Mami.
That is not true.
Time Bernard Mami I want announce. You didn't tell me.
Oh no, but I don't know. Some announce it.
That's what me can say 3 minutes crack.
No, that's not true.
Oh. So don't mention say. Me can say platform.
I've been fair to you.
No, me see.
I've been fair to you because I've allowed you to go out of the subject matter to even clear 1 or 2 things. Our person will clear. And my mouth. They say wrap up for me so that as we speak from production crowd now recording now. Sure, I am recording now. We'll spend almost 7 minutes submission.
Yera Mubarak Muntaka. Was see Yera Allen's. Agban Suman at Kingsford Babin. He's becoming a tyrant. Where's the Nebuchadnezzar? What you say? My quote will be Canada Bedi. Tell me whether what I've said is right or wrong. Please. Okay. Joy for an interview no. To Ukwa, Masachro source. Say you transition. We are in transition. Transition into a new, regime. Say papaya wa ya no Nebuchadnezzar no obehwe na parliament adwo. Near to me ayen hihye near dia transition. Okay?
All right.
Dear, who push me mama end no. Me pesa me kan say
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Eniema a 9 but very brief. Enipa bia e wo rights. Say ube to hear it. Law of natural justice. Womwa woso omo ye MPP for. Ye no nti omo akonwa no womo free so. Enti a wo Banbabi, who so now see what declare seat no vacant no. Oko MPP constitution na who ko 2 years na. Sa MPP constitution na allow say womo be go through process na ansana ye kra na yetimi agye atum so womo ye member. MPP nyan declare so womo ye member.
Okay.
Because we've not heard them.
But I say, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Your time on us. Mamima. Lawyer Safuduku opportunity.
Wow. Yeah. Speaker of Parliament, no. Put it on. What declares it in vacant? It's only High Court. The laws are here. It's only.
But I say, thank you very much, lawyer. Mamima hona you for me.
So High Court never declare seat vacant there. Now obey this how issues na first animal no better on him. So Supreme Court Ghana reference for High Court na human right na declaration of vacancy.
But this one with the way interpretation.
It was not an interpretation.
The other way interpretation.
There was nothing to be interpreted wrong. There was no interpretation, master. There was no interpretation. We got to comment in the affairs of Sally. The fact of the matter is say, Sisi am no casino. MPP almost 8 years. About when you about what judge for crowd door from Supreme Court to basic firm. Any prosecutors do will be a positive for security in about enough. In the other meetings, almost will be a disconnect. I corrupt you in that sense. As I am on the woman any right in any way whatsoever. Some be complaining crowd about that. And then there's a man or governor say. And it's almost be any more free sense in any contractual EBA no. The Ghana for person what you say. Improving a Ghana food, it's as a power. Or be a what the boni be in for channel. Okay. It's a groom. Now, say no, Mammy more the Speaker of Parliament. About Mammy more the current Speaker of Parliament. You're about me, you're Bemmu. Or you could do for the 4 also be beer or yassi. Now, me kind of pain say in this photo, public go pet the best speaker of parliament. He's
the West.
What Boduma Papa, the next FM was NPP for me if say even with this hand parliament grano my entertaining mo bebre am mo dey say mo bia no pani so wan you bia ya mo ko yin boni aye ense ni bo no want me nka na bonten but me nim say wa boa ba we pa mana ye ni ma bebre sen kan people nya sa opportunity say je nya ya nka be frustrate wo mo pa say ya ka do no be Ghana ha no ka utukuru man ka be hu ada to this say na ya to mama mani hu no krom ha MPP for ye hwe demonstration ye hwe say o mo titia ba mama sa wa nya ho to da enti no dia ababa be aboma ye woni ndisi for MPC akasa mama ye dwumadi na bedu sa me nyina no na se ne mo boyi boni na motumi afa na market mi ko gina bonte kasa tia speaker of parliament ya ebi ko si da na issue of Ghana politics say obi a leader ko attack MP speaker of parliament openly a gross disrespect.
Akoma FM.
What I say? It's an attack on the constitution of Ghana. Now the fact of the matter is say, MPs nankasa no omo abre.
Oh, okay.
2, omo epe campaign aye dey protect omo seats. Into strategy omo ina afase yenye say yana manfo say even though the person aye demand 20 sa. Me no ka say no. Omo hunu say omo tikika e omo seats no various seats no. Enti de omo ye nyina ya kroko de John. Omo ye campaign den omo various constitution because Ghana for no do no why make say omo betuatia omo. Ena omo hunu say e ka omo abo e primaries ka omo twetwa dia wani primaries no.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Se omo anko campaign no omo nya parliament adwuma na nto ho no mo a. Chale omo nya belu so seat. Enti de omo ye ni nyina no omo dwane na omo bo omo seda. They want to get opportunity to go back to their constituencies and work. Otherwise, say no anya wawa. So what by also the majority. We now prosecute government's business. Near more opportunity. In fact, this Supreme Court the gas and parliament too. MPP for one they call the signatures as omuko invoke a provision in their standing what they say a better speaker may call a parliament. And the speaker some permit him also. Mona masha mo da mo na say. It do no more journey. Now because you be say yam pese basa be busy parliament. What the country saying this for paper basa. Obi am paper basa.
Say be am ko tan e de basa na mo.
Obi akosta yen ko tan ho.
Na
ada wo ka say emra no ye business task na. Supreme Court ruling no. Omo timi say the ndi omo di party from omo president ho na. Emra ho. Eji de make can say so obi a MPP ni say wo tie mi a Ghana for wo tie mi a. MPs na nkasa no. Omo go say ba bia do omo ye lose seats. Enti omo pekwa kwa campaign the parliament omo so mesi obiem. But omo timi kan directly because obi a wo na wo so government business to prosecute the nka wo na nka wo no wo force kra mo obi ababo wo. Na wo nwane na wo expect say speaker go to parliament no fa nsa share dem from enti no. The obi keke bia say babe wonye boni bia wa bo MPs ne pa in this era. Esa say ne babe experience owo ene oman ho da owo a oman ho da parliament babe wo a ene ke koye MPP for nya opportunity say han parliament say am sinka ene ti 40 million parliament nta come frustrate sa Benjamin Adom babe say when the go for the kasa pa ne cho say na oman akoye dwino oman ho first onso wo dwino oman ho ene nti na abaso bawde ene ko come over you a oye che pesa return no obi hodwuma wo ye owiasifo nyina hodwuma wo ye
me da say all right
my kono
yeah
NDC
ai me ba be dinkra why e ba be dinkra anti ma me fa me calls kakra na ye nko ye 0322498035 0243114497 tell na ye ko good morning. Very bad. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
What you na ko pa so din kamo.
And council.
Adam da sin amia ko fi wa che so ko ba microphone.
You too.
The mo ba so ri juma dia mo di pa mi samu ametia no. Na you raba ben. Me ye me de se papa na juma wo ye so ani. Papa no nko so wa fi se. Oro na mi ye hu se abahare so. Ni bia sin bi wa bra. LGBTQ da ho aye ni sa asem no. E ye tiwa de bo man. Ni stress ye ko abato so. You ra alan ko je kire matin. E bi na brani. Also, NPP ni kasa no. Because of say one district one for to papa no adwuma wo ye enne say you are alan am moving a movement for change, movement for a resolution. Ni nyina ya ka bomu a me say December 7 say the amount for kano yen to abam me alan ko je tere matin.
Me da say good morning. Yes, sir.
It's already low go up.
Yan can't want someone there. Could you wouldn't say understand? Mentis, why, Mr. Mentis?
Any Manuka, Parliament Abelaka. Mr.
Akoma FM 87.9.
All right, could you meet us? Say hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Who are you, Senior Maragini?
Senior, young coin.
That's not your original chairman, and I could see any members in and I wouldn't. Not your Mr. Moore. Mr. Moore, oh, who show you? Now, the door. What would the Ocos of Parliament to know? The Benamia, Papa way, and can you know Kupane Adam? And I've been bad in a year, Speaker of Parliament, and I can people for the Omuni Omutono, and come on to Bugada Kura into. And we are opportunity, but we are really vigilant. Say, oh my God, but we are doing for the which is and kind people for the what more and come with the big papa into Yami and the mass at the apostle. 99 people for 1 2 of members of the full. Now we could leave the money and
I say, I'm for some maybe why. Good morning.
I tell you my chef.
Bejosuminia.
I tell Hamza, look at the room.
I'm sorry.
Let me show up. I'm going to share the Number 1, the media and the kind of now, the American every time I say because a partner saying the one is ever with each other by force. I found you can meet you one day shark.
Assembly. Issues are discussing and also don't personality. They would issue no Hamza made us say me for so now. Hello, good morning. Kofi.
No, Yamisha. I had no actually papa mammy. Na Omaru, did you make me say, and ranching in Mandawa. Or Manteroku for person, the Cassation was it in the trouble. But a good brat, no matter than Coco Fato, I mean, make pay any prince and say, she was sitting in the show between the trouble. She is here and turn on this young people will know official. I'm a lunch and my chin, I'm a black. Myself, and then see the magazine of the head. And no more you ding. I dare me 5 million. And Miss Aden 50 million. Did the Macassa similar caca or 1 more deal and went to smother with you. And you may run. Who can before you meet me? And Piantas Chairman. And I said, oh, brother me, I look at you. You made him the look at you. Every dragon, you might end this young people what trying to baby. You might third party.
May I say hello, good morning.
Good morning, Sir John.
Yes, sir.
I'm Pastor Jamal and Lucas Master.
Jamal and Coinim.
I'm in checking Zoo and I'm in Chata Budget. I'm in Chapel Post about everything. In whom I was in a channel. Yeah, now, for the city, I make a move at Kata. Who now will cast a sofa point and I'm Yakusi. Nelson Mahama started sofa point, Edicopi, a Patrick Johnson. Near Trillion, Kupramopa, Mobile, Tule, who you could do a block of Kubas, Majaho, which you mean, no other than how I said, who you are free education. And one was the answer we are to catch a free education, could you read to my man or one number of motor trunk and a young Pobunio Modibayano. Or Brown Boko School and no to book 5,000, 6,000, now better not say free education. Oh, could you not be some man or Metaponia Mano?
Medasi Jamal, thank you for hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Sir John.
Yes, madam.
Florence,
Mamintio.
Sir John. And what did you sign a show? You're playing so. You're going to make me maybe put on mammy. Sir John. I mean, I can't. It's I say I'm too about. No, no, that's a mere perpetrator. By and by about 25 cities. And I was on the account. Yes, Mama says, no, by 5 cities. You know, and we can go 2 cities, and then we can go 15 cities.
Hey, I'm going to go two Ghana cities.
2 Ghana cities.
I'm not there.
15 cities. No, I can say we don't 2 cities. And then we can 15 cities.
Florence made that say, Maminfa, we enjoy. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Thank you. I'm with you.
I
One year entre Hannah no bo we are entre Hannah entre
and that's how you buy no. Everybody na ye. Don't put one kwanu kuro na ebe do. So, and say among sa banama NDC ni na wa banu. No mun da people ni no. Because of parliament ya. Obo sweat and man for ta. Omo sinu. Because omo sinu a. They wa ba ye be sinu. Yen sa banama no. No me.
Peda seminia. Yem fancy hona mema but you bet my birthdays na your birthdays you na fi ye jakwan na ye ko birthdays no ye birthdays no na ye nko. All right, so and I okay no one you okay. Happy birthday to Faustina Akrugu of Asueboa station hona we adwuma wo Wikiard company IPT opposite the university gate hona we adwuma. Happy birthday to you, Faustina Akrugu or Asueboa. Happy birthday to you. We free the family, your family and friends. Almost wish you God's blessings and good health. Happy birthday to you. Now, we say so come up. Me pa, me paddy pa. A friend no Jima Mensa Emmanuel. Me bro. Oko Mampoa. Onye pa to akra. O heavy pa Mampon. Na I me bro happy birthday to you. When we ba Sarah Kofi Jima. Mu nyina birthday baako. Nti very good. Say me wish you happy birthday now no penti nyankopon sha no onye okese. Me bro happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Zamwa 1 minute.
Yeah, okay.
We me yan 1 me wura obibini diem. But me ma 1 minute.
Na me chia tiefo nyina, we ahwefo nyina na obefre nyina. Na me suggestion no ana bigina so say next time we ba ha no. Wo de obetra but wo mo mfre no mu say questions. Na yiya no. Ye no be boa.
Me important wo mo ko be mo no o magina be mo na busa questions.
Anu busa questions. O busa questions. Na yiya no nti bia question bia obia person bisa you no boa e ma de ne ye we mu gane e no boa ma very informative because yeah the tana I say we speak on them but let them also come out and speak our aspects because
Matime da say alaj be mo yese me so de ne entra nyabufu
David oni afafanto be hia na osa ne NDC hia sa de a
oso mo ne yeden
mo ni so anya hia ombebu afa so NG on relax cry before back granim the new on the block
I am
the scholarship for cocoa farmers omoma omo ebeko tertiary omo beko tertiary from Dr. Moduba Omia. Yeah, be consolidated scholarships ningina GMPC Cocoa Board Scholarship Secretariat get fund together and make sure say the kind people of disability omobeko tertiary free or friend is saying cocoa farmers ma enso so free scholarships na so a ye consolidate no say ye cha obanya wo ha bema benya wo ha okay everybody a wo
Akoma FM
university biano or a laptop or called digital skills because that is where the world is going irrespective of whether say we religion, archaeology, sociology, social anthropology digital skills because that is where the new jobs are going.
Thank you very much. Lawyer.
That's it. Now I want to say Dr. Bami also promise you in the social. I said John the woman say me time so me free so. And this is say o man to say na economy so ya ka gusi say adwuma emenante ma bob nya adwuma ye. Enti policies makoma ko edu ene ye ba ye de ba. Na de bo mam fo nya adwuma ye. Dey kai the 24-hour economy. The game changer. Adwuma ba ko enifa me yansa ebra me yansa 3 shifts. Etosu mi ni yesi the Women's Development Bank. Ema ye de ni o mu si ema nkwa na be ho bibia ma mo bre me ma ni bi hwemo ukwa ya abosia kwaji bi na fa yoduma be ma hwe okra no a o hwe nkora na ma nkora nya ba biasi. Etosu mi yansa yesi the National Apprenticeship Program. Eno de won pese musu adwuma ho do bia bi no abane so asene ama osu wi apon no asa achichire wo ko nya ba bia asate oduma. Etosu nan yesi adwuma wura program. Ye de ni bedi businessman for be 10,000 ye ti say oduma ne mani muda esan se mumu ne wono mo aga na ndi mfa obi adwuma aba adwuma mtino ye di moji sa so ma sense sa oduma ne be gina brane na bre bia manfo nya adwuma ye etoso num digital jobs initiative no ukomo a programs na jobs bebre youth no na yewie ensia ukonsia no so a ye kan se ensia no udie agric for jobs agric go hodo no ye be ye nyuma hodo bebre se agric dem se ndisi for enso rapid industrialization for jobs nyuma na yala start yen ye be nyina yaba no ye be nyina yaba no na oko enwotwe you see the big push ye the $10 billion e be gura infrastructure works mo
right
enkro e public sector no ye nya nto ye see that's for mu ye ya pa automatic placement and that was some corner about automatic placement the last one here Ghana Green Jobs Initiative
right thank you
energy sector be create jobs and this on papa mo e dey me and this MPs mo
thank you very much Man Zaid o message no yes now can Asanteman project and o kan wasem say Ghana fund to by man the NDC Emmanuel Seth and so odie by o message by on our Facebook page and our face so Golden Boy Anas Man Zaid George Opoku Don Louis GH na Francis Willie Doe na abia ha de besi me so ama obibini akohene de abibin sroma de abro no I can tell you say niema pina na nam ko mo ba anodin have a nice day nyame adomo a Monday ebesia enjoy your weekend.
Akoma FM 87.9. Akoma FM 87.9.